Hey guys, welcome back to Insomniac, the number two podcast in the world.
We have to stop that eventually. That cannot go on forever.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Okay. Before we get
Hey,
into today's
hey,
podcast, let's just talk about how mad last weekend was. I mean, literally McGregor ka pair jo
McGregor,
toota,
that was insane. That was actually insane.
that was quite
Disappointing,
an
but insane.
very
we
disappointing for
watched
them.
it live, and
Yeah.
like now after seeing the post fight analysis, we saw that it was
That is cap,
Poirier.
bro. That's
No,
cap.
no. Listen. Watch the analysis. Watch the analysis. तेरे को
But
पता चलेगा.
you can clearly see कि पीछे गया part टूटा.
Rishabh, listen. A normal person का pair does not get twisted like that until and unless I know you dropped bio, but listen to me and Arjun over here, okay? हाँ, a normal person का pair cannot twist like that until and unless it has been messed
But you
around it.
cannot say that Poirier caused that to happen. That caused because of
Watch.
McGregor.
McGregor का
What
बैलेंस चलेगा
after
उधर
Poirier,
से.
of
after the
course, it's a fight. That's why it happened. ये
yeah,
fight के बीच में हुआ. इंजरी में उसको
okay,
हुआ. But
cool.
ऐसे नहीं बोल सकता कि अरे पोरियर कैलकुलेट किया कि ऐसे करेगा पैर टूट जाएगा वो.
Of course not. Even I don't think so. He must
अरे
have
बस
done
it's
it like
not
that.
UFC
It's
themed
not UFC
podcast.
thing. Thank you,
Yeah,
Arjun,
yeah.
for getting us on track. Secondly, Messi finally won the Copa America final, so that's one great news for all football fans around the world. And thirdly, my
Rishit will be
prediction
happy.
for my shout out to Rishit. My prediction for Euros was correct as Italy won the final. So yeah, props to
Yeah,
me.
Yeah,
डेनमार्क
no
बोला
one
था तो
voted
इटली
anything.
कब स्विच कर दिया.
No, I said Denmark, Italy or Denmark. मैंने पहले Italy को prioritize किया था. So
Thank God England
anyway,
didn't win.
yeah, and the
England sucks.
KSI show and his album is going to come this weekend. So guys, make sure to tune into that also. Yeah, I mean, why wouldn't you not? But yeah, it's
Hashtag
going to be
ad.
mad. Hashtag
Hashtag
ad.
ad.
It's going to be mad, especially
Imagine.
because like how amazing the guests are going to be. Cuff Logan Paul Sidemen. Anyways, so let's just get into today's topic. So allow me to introduce Intruder Samurai and RB17, also known as Nishan Mystery and Ahan Kode. So guys,
Mystery,
please,
not mystery.
yeah,
Wow, you just
What?
Mystery.
Man,
yeah. Let's
you
just
should have
guys
started
just
from the
say
middle.
2 3 words about how we know you and
And Nahan
how you
Kode.
are. Yeah, and Ahan, of course. Who wants to go
you want
first?
you want to go you want to go first?
चल, I'll
तो
go first.
अंग्रेजी नहीं है
Okay,
निशान,
well,
हिंदी में बोल सकता है. इतना
Hey,
एक्सेंट डालने की
Rishabh,
जरूरत नहीं है.
everyone.
हाँ,
Okay, another thing, we know
fam.
that everyone except Rishabh speaks in English, so please apologize, Rishabh, for not understanding and speaking English. Anyways,
तो
Rishabh leaves the
okay.
meeting.
कौन बोल रहा है पहले?
I'm first.
Uh,
Well, see, my name is Ahan. I'd like to also call myself RB17, even though I hate that name, like to the bottom of my guts. These guys know me because I've been in school with them since 6th grade with Arjun and Rishant, and 7th grade with Rishabh and Nishan.
Nice.
Oh, so famous
nice.
यार.
Yeah, yes, of course.
निशान बोल
Yes,
now.
so I am known as Rishant mentioned, intruders. Okay, I'm not gonna finish the sentence, but yeah. Anyway, they know me since 7th grade. Same thing. They know me from school, and I'm also the best of the best in every video game possible.
No.
So
He's the
yeah,
best
Uh,
sandwich maker in our school. He's the best sandwich maker in our
Yeah.
school.
yes,
So
Nishan is
Yes,
that's
that's
sandwich man.
secondary.
the
That's one of
sandwiches
my. That's
die
one
for,
of my.
fam.
That's one of my amazing traits. But this is like
Sandwich
your mom's amazing traits, not yours.
supplier
Yeah, but I'm supplier, na. Yeah.
Distributor.
not
Yeah.
needed. कोई भी और तेरा काम कर सकता है.
Wow.
Anyways, moving forward. So of course, due to Rishabh and he was not coordinating with us, so we could not shoot our episode on Saturday. So we postponed it to Wednesday.
That's
That
not
is actually
facts,
good.
bro.
Shut up. Okay, so today was Loki ka episode 6, the finale of season 1, and I think it was amazing. What do you all think about it? Like, how did you all feel about
uh,
it?
One thing, they just changed the whole thing from like Marvel Cinematic Universe to Marvel Cinematic Multiverse because they just
Ooh.
that's like whole
Yeah,
that's the whole
yeah.
Yeah.
rebrand now.
That is the
At this
main
point,
point. Yeah.
Fam,
Loki was
yeah,
like
that's the whole
Loki was the
rebrand.
series.
set up phase
One by
4,
one.
literally.
Yeah, right.
It introduces the multiverse thing of the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
But wasn't the multiverse introduced like in Endgame or something?
No,
I
what?
wouldn't
No,
even
I,
say
No, it
It
wasn't
was
that
the
It wasn't.
clear.
concept of the
Time travel.
multiverse.
Time travel was
Yeah,
introduced.
that was time travel. This time it's about like how there are different variants of you in multiple universes.
Yeah.
Multiple people of the same, multiple
Yeah.
Yeah, but
versions
the
I
of the
mean,
same
concept
people.
of
technically,
multiverse was in Endgame.
technically,
yeah.
Endgame introduced multiverse because the variant of Loki is from because of the actions that happened in Endgame.
Yeah.
So
But
it
But
was,
it
it was
wasn't clear. It
multiverse
wasn't
was
clear.
started in Loki, na? Matlab, we got clear idea of
yeah,
multiverse.
Ah,
right,
No,
yeah,
no,
right,
but
just
right.
give a clear
okay, it was
Yeah,
just a
variants and
it
all.
was just a concept
I
in
think
Endgame.
Yeah.
It got evolved in Loki.
Yeah.
hmm.
I would say the
Agreed,
concept
agreed.
was, yeah, it was a concept in Endgame. I think it was properly introduced in Doctor Strange. I would say when she opened like when he
Doctor Strange was
went to
for
the
time
Ancient
travel.
One, and then
Hey, Dash, Doctor Strange is
yeah,
Doctor
also
but
Strange
it
is
was
right?
time.
like
That's
it
Poola
was
ka Poola time.
yeah, but like, what I'm saying is like if you remember the Thor: The Dark World, they I think introduced all the Infinity Stones there, and then that idea just evolved into Endgame. I think the similar thing happened with Doctor Strange. Yeah, the idea of time was there, but then I think they kind of tied it into multiverse by Endgame and all that.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
see, I think that Doctor Strange was more about like how in Loki they keep emphasizing about that stupid sacred timeline of theirs. It's more
yeah,
about that, about how Doctor
yeah.
Strange, the Sorcerer Supreme, has to maintain the sacred timeline. He can't mess things up. And this Endgame introduced the multiverse concept because of Loki's variant. And then Loki emphasized on both. Like the entire thing was based around those two concepts.
Yeah, man.
So this is like a good transition to like Doctor Strange,
Doctor
the
Strange
yeah,
multiverse will be like
yeah.
equivalent. Good transition.
Yeah,
Next movie will
Multiverse of
be
Uh,
Madness.
it's,
yeah.
it's like transition.
Next movie will be a big one.
I think you would see the clear repercussions of what happened in Loki
Yeah.
straight up in
See,
Spider-Man.
yeah.
Yeah.
WandaVision
First in
bhi.
Spider-Man, then in I would say Doctor
Yeah,
Strange,
Doctor
Doctor
because
Strange,
Strange.
yeah.
Doctor
I
Strange
like
like
actually
the
epic.
idea but the Doctor Strange will be like they go in depth like pura
Yeah.
aise
And they'll introduce
multiverse.
some very like
New
cool
characters.
new
I'm
important
actually more excited to
characters.
see what they do with Wanda and Vision
Yeah. Yeah, that will be
because
Yeah,
interesting.
talking about
last
Ooh.
talking about Wanda and Vision. So of course, due to this lovely pandemic that occurred in 2019, we got to witness three different. Matlab, although Peggy and Shield
Yeah,
wala
before
was
we start
there.
on that, I just want to say कि Loki का जो villain था, that actor was really good.
Yeah,
oh
even
That
man,
Oh
I
he
yeah,
was
fulfilled the
really
Jonathan
role
liking
Majors.
that,
perfectly.
Yeah.
and
Nobody
Yeah,
could
he's
have
Jonathan
done better than
Majors.
him.
in. So
He's
go on.
yeah. It's funny how he. I think I'm pretty sure everyone who follows Marvel, as soon as they saw his face, they knew he was much more than He Who Remains.
Yeah,
He
fam.
stole
Because
he stole the series. Honestly, matlab that his acting was marvelous. Firstly,
Yeah,
and
yes,
secondly, to those who didn't know, he's Kang the Conqueror, a villain
Yeah,
from.
most likely,
Uh,
but not
no, no,
100%.
it is
Not
for
it's
100%
certainly,
sure.
it is.
pura ka
It
pura
is. It
certainly,
Kang.
is. It
certainly,
is.
certainly.
It is. It is.
Okay,
No,
but you have to figure
actually,
that out.
it's
You have to figure that out. Marvel has
no,
not
no, no.
Kang
Yeah,
the
released
Conqueror.
anything.
उसने
It's
बोला
like
Kang the
he's
Conqueror is his literally it's his gimmick, and he said the Conqueror. I'm known as the Conqueror.
Yeah, he said I'm
yeah.
known
yeah,
as a
but
Oh,
conqueror.
it's I
but he
think
didn't say his name. So
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
Marvel
they
is
Arjun.
might
known
they
for
might release
spinning
it
it off.
somewhere else.
Arjun, you
Marvel
need to be
sometimes
annoying
spins it
here
off.
also.
It's 99.999%
Yeah, but
there.
not
Yeah.
100%, right? So there's a
He
okay.
very
just
I'll
small.
tell
needs
you
to be
who
a
it
I'm
is.
just a
dork.
little
I
surprised. I can say because
yeah
Kang was supposed to have a purple face, man. Like if you look in the comics, he's freaking purple face. He
yeah
has
yeah
a
yeah
weird
yeah, yeah
pink
that's true.
helmet, and
He is
he's
purple
Ahan, you
actually.
are being racist right now.
you're
I
the
think
racist part. It just
Ahan, it's
doesn't
all
Welcome to
about the
2021,
personality of a
Ahan.
character.
like
You can't
look
judge
when
them
you
by their
look at how
face.
Marvel has been progressing with these comic accurate suits. Like look at freaking Falcon, man. He got like the most comic accurate suit I've ever seen in the entire MCU. And then you
yes
suddenly
yes
just
yeah.
shift off the norm of comic specific,
Actually, you
and
know
you
what?
just go a new direction.
I think the purple face might come on later, like in a suit or something, for the
No,
Kang.
no, no. I think what it is this guy is, yes, of course, he's a variant of Kang, but he is 100% Immortus, not
Yeah,
Kang.
yeah.
Okay, that's why he doesn't have the purple face.
Okay.
Because in
Because
the
you
That's
can see the
comics, this
helmet,
guy,
right? You can see the Kang with the helmet.
yeah,
But
yeah.
That might be
But
the helmet thing.
So Kang can be like a variant of him.
That's what he is,
Yeah,
right?
क्या बोला ना,
He is
my variant will
really a
come.
mixture of.
That guy was a good variant of him, and then there's also
See,
like
for
a
a
bad variant
matter of
of him,
fact,
which is
I'm
Kang.
certain about the fact that all characters in the MCU. See, I've not been a comic fan ever, but as far as I know, all the villains, all the heroes, everyone has a variant. Like
Yeah.
even Thanos must
Yeah,
have
true.
had a
Yeah,
variant.
of
I mean, the
course.
people,
Oh,
Yeah,
the
Thanos.
man, the
in
famous Thanos
Endgame,
doctor,
in fact, in Endgame, जिसको they fought was
a
a
variant.
variant.
Yeah.
Apparently,
No,
it
variant.
wasn't.
It wasn't not a variant.
No,
It was a
no, no,
past
no. It was
self.
nahi Rishabh. It was of
It
that.
was.
See, that's where time travel gets confusing. Now, will you now? अब तू ये बात कर रहा है. अब Loki was a of this series was Loki a variant
So let
or
wait, let
was
me
he
explain. Let
of
me
the
explain.
past?
So देखो ना,
Okay.
when Tesseract he took the Tesseract now. He took the Tesseract from the when Hulk knocked him over.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the TVA went back and changed that so that he never took the Tesseract, and he went to jail.
That's true.
Nahi.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
So
because then he goes on.
they
Then he goes to
they
prison.
pruned the whole reality.
Yeah. Then
They
he
pruned
returned the whole reality, right? Because then he goes to prison. Then he causes his mother's death. Then he goes on, and that's how the whole Thanos thing happens.
Okay, I get it. He's right. You
Yeah.
know what? You know why he's right? Because when we see episode 5 में, okay, you know what? We didn't give a spoiler alert. So, if you're in
Man,
the
छोड़ो,
episode,
Whoever
general
fans who have
sorry,
not watched the
Yeah, I
episode
mean,
yet, do not listen
you
to this
mentioned.
podcast.
yeah.
I mean, you did mention Kang.
Yeah,
Star.
Yeah.
So I mean, spoilers.
Yeah, it's
He's
just
already gone through.
it's kind of sad, but हाँ, I understand what Rishabh का point of view is कि
yeah.
episode 5 में you see, and in fact even the lady Loki, I forgot her name. What's Sylvie?
Sylvie.
Sylvie, yeah. Sylvie is a variant.
Yeah.
Now I
Yeah.
get it.
Yeah.
हाँ, so like that female Thanos is a variant.
Yeah, and
Not
they
the
said that
Thanos
there's only
that in
one
Endgame.
world. There's only one
Right.
universe. There's only
I
one
understood.
universe. So they all
Okay.
exist in the same universe. but
No,
in
no, no.
different
I don't
points.
think that's true though.
No,
How can
it's
that
one
be?
timeline. It's
Yeah, there's
one
one
timeline
timeline,
that
one
branches
timeline.
into multiple.
Timeline.
Yeah.
वही.
Every
See,
time
we
a
don't have
timeline
enough
branches,
knowledge
it's
of
one
it.
more universe formed.
So
A
देखो
multiverse.
Yeah.
ऐसा होता है कि suppose Endgame चल रहा है and Thanos wins. Okay, Thanos wins, kills Iron Man in the end. So TV आके they will bring Thanos back and then revert it so that Iron Man wins.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean,
And
are
yeah,
you
that's what
sure
they will
about
do.
that?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
that's
that's
how
what
they
they
know. That's they बोला ना that Avengers
Actually,
were
they
supposed to do that. They were supposed to go to past and defeat Thanos.
See, yeah,
Yeah,
it's a very complicated thing, so I'm not sure whether I'm
It's
gonna
not
be
easy
right
to
about
wrap
this.
your head
नहीं नहीं
around.
नहीं
Yeah.
because we don't have enough knowledge also ना क्योंकि every series every different universe every movies में अलग type of time travel दिखाता है तो we cannot be sure about what is right what is wrong over here so we leave it at that कि maybe the TVA would have come snap करने के पहले bad boy fat ass Thanos give your stones to us you
Great
cannot
man.
snap and let it go to
I mean,
Iron Man.
Come, I
I'm
can
going to just say
totally
one thing. Like,
What?
if you've noticed, like Jonathan Majors already, so who was playing He Who Remains, already knew what's going to happen. So what Loki did with the Tesseract was supposed to happen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's not
that's
weird,
very
actually, the whole
complicated.
thing.
That's
It's not
very
wrong.
very complicated.
What
It's
he
like
did
doing a
is
math
he set it up in a way. He set it up in a way that it looks wrong to the TVA, but it's actually how things are
It's
supposed
actually
to
how it's
go.
supposed
True.
to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
so
that's yeah.
Also, in that
technically,
matter, is
yeah.
Captain America going back to the past right or wrong?
That's supposed to be right.
It's
That's
right
That's
because they
that's
didn't
right.
do anything there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
because
yeah.
Falcon was supposed to become, na?
In the first episode, they said that the Avengers were supposed to go back in time, but you picking up the Tesseract
Yeah.
wasn't supposed to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
But that honestly also doesn't make sense if you really think about it. Because had Loki not picked up the Tesseract, they wouldn't have gone back to the past. And yeah, they wouldn't
Yeah.
have gone any further in time to Howard Stark.
See, we can blabber about this for an entire hour, but we don't want to bore our audience. So talking about the series of Marvel, so the three major series were Falcon and the Winter Soldier, that turned out to be Captain, WandaVision, and Loki. So what were your thoughts on all the three series, like all of you, and which one would you rate the best and the worst?
Nishan, you go first. You got a
Yeah,
lot to
Nishan,
say?
go first.
Oh,
Rishabh and
okay.
Arjun, the guest is Bhagwan, तो पहले Bhagwan. I mean guest जाएंगे.
Yeah, let's go. Okay. I'm gonna say I think Loki was the best in terms of setting up. think what would be Avengers Secret Wars, um, which will be the next Endgame level movie in
I can
7 to 8
agree with that.
years. Yeah, I'm going. Then I would rate WandaVision second in terms of being or setting her up as a Nexus being and like putting her into multiverse of madness with Loki, who is now also supposed to be in Doctor Strange. And I would say Falcon because they kind of, I would say Falcon is the third best because they at least reinforce the Earth heroes. Like, okay, yeah, they're in a better place than Endgame to like protect themselves and be ready for whatever's going to happen. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Ahan, what about you? I think Nishan gave a valid explanation, by the way,
Yeah,
like from his point
honestly,
of
I
view.
100% agree with Nishan's explanation. I mean, even I'd put Loki first. I think in terms of setting things up for how Phase 4 is going to go, I think Loki has
Hmm.
like set the base, the foundation. If you haven't watched Loki, you can't go ahead and watch the Phase 4 movies. I think Loki sets up Phase 4, and it's good acting. Like Tom Hiddleston has done a fantastic job as Loki. Like compare him to the Avengers movies, the Thor movies, he hasn't done that well. He's been
Hmm.
good,
Yeah,
but he's
he's
not
given
been
more screen time also
fantastic. He
now.
hasn't been given enough, you know, attention as he should, as the character Loki. I think the series definitely did justice to Loki. Also, I like how they're introducing the entire timeline concept into this. I think it's a so Loki would be the best. Now, second, this is a little controversial, but I'll put Falcon and the Winter Soldier just for one reason. It's only because I'm a Captain America fan, like Steve till the end, and also I just think that the fact that they showed Sam beat Steve's replacement, I think it was just a fitting ending, to the Steve Rogers
Hmm.
saga of Captain America. Or else story wise, WandaVision was much better. Like showing how Wanda now has the power to create a whole reality in itself, and then later on have the power to become stronger than Doctor Strange himself. It definitely makes a climax for what's to come next, and it definitely sets up the hype for this multiverse of madness. So like how
Hmm.
Marvel was dying in 2020, they just brought it back with a boom in 2021 with WandaVision. And I can honestly tell nobody
Yeah,
expected WandaVision to become
be
such a
that
good
good.
series.
Yeah,
Like when we first saw the trailer, it felt like a comedy series.
Yeah,
yeah, it felt
sure.
a bit weird, like you were watching like a very old TV show. It made no sense at the beginning
It felt
because,
like a TV sitcom, like a weird TV
yeah, it was quite weird. Then after that, we saw that I believe
sitcom that
episode
evolves
two
over time
onwards.
and has absolutely nothing to do with the MCU. Yeah,
Yeah,
episode
episode
two
two, we
onwards
saw
it
that
became
there was something
serious.
else going on outside of it. So we're like,
Hmm.
oh, okay, we understand. That's fine. I also agree with Nishan and Ahan on the fact that Loki is probably the best one because it shows like us a small glimpse of the multiverse, and it briefly explains what it is, so we won't get confused when the whole thing actually matters in upcoming movies. And the Tom Hiddleston and uh, who was the He Who Remains actor? I don't remember his name.
Jonathan Majors.
Yeah, and
Jonathan
Jonathan Majors.
Majors.
They both acted brilliantly, which I didn't honestly expect that much from a like Marvel movie. So I
Hmm.
was
Yeah,
quite
same
stoked
here.
about that. And
That's
I
true.
agree with Nishan that WandaVision is this was the second best TV series because it shows us how there is something else behind all this power with WandaVision, like Wanda.
Yeah.
Hmm.
There's like a group of witches, like Agatha was there. How
Oh
they,
yeah.
yeah, there's like literally a whole other side to it which I didn't know about earlier, and it showed how they dealt with post endgame problems. Like she was without she couldn't live without a vision, so she used all her powers and brought him back. It was
Yeah, that
kind of
was
a,
absolutely insane.
yeah, that was insane. It was kind of like a Bollywood thing, like oh.
Yeah, I know, right? Typical Bollywood
Yeah,
Bollywood
you have
TV
no
series.
limits. You have no limits when you lose a loved one.
The impossible is possible.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah. Captain America was a bit boring personally for me.
It was a
I mean,
little draggy, honestly.
yeah,
I mean, I didn't
Right.
like the entire Carly Morgenthau and all. I just wanted to see
Mhm.
Sam wield the shield. That's it. I really didn't
Yeah,
care
I
about
think that's why
what
I
happened.
think that's the whole
That's why
purpose of the
every
show.
yeah.
yeah.
That's why, like, there
No,
was so much of
Like even
hype.
from go
Like,
on.
there was so much of hype when they showed that mid-season peak about how Sam is saying, "Okay, you have to give me the shield." There was so much hype because everyone was like, "Okay, yeah, he's going to become the next Captain America," and yeah, that's the hype right there. Other than that,
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
What just
technical
happened? Did Ahan just
difficulties. Well,
leave?
yeah, poor guy has network
poor
issues.
internet. Oh,
yeah,
he's
I'm
back.
back.
Well, he's back, guys.
yes.
I'm
Let's
not know
go.
what happened. I pressed the reload page, reload button
Nice,
accidentally.
cool. It's cool. Go on, go on.
I'm saying so. Other than that, it was a pretty draggy series. Honestly, they could have picked a better villain. Like they should have shown Zima as a villain, not as a dancing meme for Christ's sake.
Right,
Zemo
right.
became a
All
meme.
all
Yeah, I
respect to
agree.
the meme
Zemo
though.
ka, but for a matter of fact, Zemo ka like role in the series was good. That's what I
Yeah, it's
particularly
pretty
think. I
decent.
mean, it was like it just showed that another side of Zemo that we haven't seen in another movies now, like in
Yeah,
Civil War,
yeah.
especially.
He was like a more of an evil person who just wanted revenge on the Avengers for what they did to his family.
Right, right. So even I agree with y'all regarding the ranking of the movies, but only from a Marvel point of view perspective. I think that Loki would be first, WandaVision second, and Falcon and Winter Soldier third. But if you come like for a random person, just seeing these three series, I personally think that they will be most like they will find WandaVision the most boring. Firstly,
Yeah,
Hmm.
because the first two, like I personally did not enjoy the 2 3 episodes until everything was not black and white anymore. I did not
Yeah.
enjoy the gimmick. And plus it's a 10 episode ka series, so that is another part about it. The good thing about Loki and Falcon Winter Soldier was that it was only 6 episodes. And another thing that I liked about Falcon and Winter Soldier was that the action, like it was on point. Like it reminded me of Captain America and Winter Soldier of 2014 wala. So that was one good thing about Falcon Winter Soldier. And Loki, of course, it gives an introduction to phase 4, so that's another good thing regarding that. But talking about WandaVision now, can we all agree that she is the strongest superhero in
At the
MCU
moment, yes,
at the
because
yeah,
moment?
because
100%.
MCU, yeah,
I
Let
think
me
there was
also
a
tell you
scene.
my ranking.
Oh, sorry,
no,
sorry,
Rishabh,
sorry,
no,
sorry. Yeah.
no ranking
No,
for
no,
that.
no, no
Also
ranking for it.
another thing what I liked about Falcon and Winter Soldier was that it stressed on racism. I mean,
Yeah, I
it
think that was
was
an
Yeah.
important message.
and
But you don't expect
unfortunately,
it from Marvel, like to
no,
talk about racism,
I
like
mean,
out of everything.
after what
But you know,
happened in America
it
last
is
year,
expected for
yeah,
so speak
what
out at
happened in
least.
America last year, I kind of expected them to do something like this, like
It is
especially in
expected from
Fal-
yeah now from
Ha,
at least huge corporations.
and
Yeah,
Arjun, if you look at those comics also now, I think even in that this type of stories only there of how
yeah.
Sam
Sam becomes
becomes the
Yeah,
Captain
Captain
America.
America. Yeah.
yeah.
And him not taking the serum just made things better. So anyways, Rishabh, go
So
on with your ranking before
I
I
haven't
pronounce your
I'm never gonna watch Winter Soldier and Cap whatever that name is.
That
I don't care about them. I
Wonder
don't know why I
Captain.
will watch a 6 episode series about them. So that is not
Hmm?
even counted.
Oh
Actually,
wow.
so
Okay.
Loki is of course on top because I liked WandaVision ka last 2 episodes much better than I like WandaVision ka finale better than Loki ka finale.
same.
Yeah,
So
Yeah,
Loki
Yeah.
finale.
WandaVision ka finale was really good, and the surprise twist villain
Yeah.
etc. That was like on top tier. But overall,
yeah.
the Loki is a better series because of starting the WandaVision sort of boring and the end with the girl superhero they created that was sort of weird.
Man, they didn't create a superhero. They created a villain at the end.
No,
It was
No, no,
very.
no. She's talking about
The Marvel
Photon. She's
girl,
Photon.
the
Acha, wo,
Marvel
okay,
Photon.
friend's
हाँ.
daughter and all. That
Acha,
was sort
हाँ,
of weird.
photon, okay.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
वो
That
थोड़ा
was pretty
था.
cool, honestly. I mean, that's going to
Uh,
tie into this this
Sword.
invasion, Skrull invasion. I forgot what it's called. What's that series called that Samuel L. Jackson's doing as Fury?
I don't know.
Agents of
No.
Ah,
Shield.
is he
Agents
doing
of Shield.
Agents of
I'm not sure.
Not Agents of Shield.
Nice.
He's doing one more once again.
Yeah, you get back on that one. Dishant, continue.
Yeah.
Let's go,
And-
Mad.
Okay, so
And
कौन सा था? तो
Prashant.
yeah, so what talking about whether WandaVision was the most powerful superhero, right?
Yeah, right. Wanda.
Yeah.
Scarlet Witch, basically.
Scarlet
Not even
Witch.
Wanda.
The Scarlet Witch.
I mean, there was a scene where Agatha literally said, from the book of I can't remember the name of the book. The book of spells. No, Darkhold, where she said, "Oh yeah, she's supposed to be more powerful than the Sorcerer Supreme," and I was
Yeah.
like, "Oh, okay,
Yeah,
so she's
WandaVision
that
is like
big."
yeah, that really
Yeah,
really
she's
powerful.
that big because I mean it's true because she could like created the whole town
City.
and she was altering it.
Yeah, that was not even when she had
Essay.
max power. She didn't even know her
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm
capacity.
saying.
As
Yeah.
Wanda,
Good
she
point.
was destroying Thanos. Can
Yeah,
I
I was,
just
I was
point
gonna
it
get
out?
to that. Yeah, in Endgame, she was destroying Thanos.
As
Everyone
Wanda.
he seems to ignore that part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine
Thanos
Scarlet
was
Witch.
like, "Who are you?"
Also, guys, don't.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
even
And
know
I was
who
like,
you
"No,
are.
you haven't."
Bhai, yeah, that was the funniest part. That was the funniest part, actually.
What
No,
is
I
it
don't
like,
even know who you
took
are, bro.
everything from
I
me.
don't even know.
Exactly.
What do you?
I've not met you yet.
Also, guys, don't take Rishabh's opinion seriously because he's a plastic Marvel fan too. Yeah,
Yeah,
anyways,
plastic,
Yes,
so
yeah.
plastic. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's so sad.
Okay, let's just do some justice for Snyder. I mean, DC cut all, DC also. We haven't talked about DC, and it's a part of
Yeah.
this podcast. So, did you all watch Snyder cut Justice
Yeah.
League?
I watched like
Snyder
the
No,
Cut?
first
100%.
40 minutes.
I only watch clips. I watch clips.
I
don't
love
know.
Snyder.
I think
Okay,
I
even I
remember the
watched.
first 40 minutes. I think Snyder was better.
No,
I
no, no.
remember Pura ka
Yeah.
Pura
Bhai,
movie.
end में it gets much better. Rishabh, you should actually. I know you're a Flash
Bhai,
fan.
देख.
Watch it, and में it really
I have
is
it
amazing.
downloaded, but
And,
थोड़ा time लगता है ना 4
Fam,
घंटा
it
है.
is such
Pura
a
is a
hype
lot.
movie. They need to make Snyderverse. That
no, for a
I'm
matter,
just saying it.
that's what makes this. That's what varies Marvel from just DC now or Warner Bros. Now because they never listen to their audience. Whereas
Yeah.
अभी तो Marvel के YouTube channel खोलेगा तो they've made 1 hour का dance on Cena. That's what
Shit.
Marvel is.
Yeah.
Seriously, just watch it.
Yeah, those golden
I know,
standard
I
of
know,
dancing.
I know. I mean,
So
they
that-
know how to play
no.
social media.
Exactly.
Then, yeah,
Smart.
they are more smart.
So, anyways,
I mean-
like let's not discredit DC. They have done huge
And
things, especially
Snyder
in the
Cuts
comic
was
world.
very Snyder Cuts release was very underwhelming.
Yeah,
Release
it was
ज्यादा लग रहा था
actually.
ऑनलाइन रिलीज कर रहे थे, लीक्स रिलीज हो
Yeah,
रहा
but
था
it
लग
was a
रहा
little
था.
depressing because of the entire online platform thing. It was the first superhero movie to be released now online
It was
on
supposed
HBO
to
Max.
release in 2017.
Yeah, See,
And
Snyder
it
Cut,
got
honest
leaked so it got leaked
early.
so
I
badly.
know.
4 घंटे का
But the
मूवी
hype,
खत्म होने से पहले रिलीज हो गया.
yeah, but the
Leak हो
hype for
गया.
it was still pretty real. Like any DC fan or any Superman fan, Flash fan, Batman fan, everybody was
people
excited
मतलब
for
ना.
it. Yeah, because because Snyder is an absolute god. Like he's directed some of the best superhero movies that exist till today, and that's why people were more hyped when they were, oh, Zack Snyder is doing the Justice League cut.
Yeah, that was
He did a good job, but I
Right,
mean,
right.
he did beat
He's not-
Marvel at, oh, I can make a longer movie now.
Nahi, but
For the
let's
same
it was
thing.
a director's cut. It was his proper.
See,
That's the
what
way
he
he
was-
envisioned the movie.
Yeah.
yeah, the thing is ki he wanted to introduce all the characters unlike what happened in 2017. बहुत अलग movie थी. I liked
Yeah.
it a lot. Nishan, did you watch it?
Yeah, I watched the whole thing.
Yeah,
I did
same
like the
here.
movie. I mean, the way they introduced Darkseid,
Yeah.
it was interesting. But
Yeah,
I would
yeah.
say, yeah, Darkseid, how he's just gonna destroy them because they just kind of saw them losing.
Hmm.
It's kind of
Yeah.
sad.
You know, the worst part is that we know that Warner Bros is not going with with this plan, this
Yeah.
Snyder cut wala plan. That's the most annoying part after watching it. So it is a
But
very
they're
good
not.
movie.
They're
I'll
not. No, no,
recommend.
No, they're
no,
not. They're
no.
not.
कितना
पूरा
Ah,
रीच
what?
हुआ था स्नाइडर
Not
वर्स
going.
का क्या
Ah.
आया निशान ट्विटर पे when the Snyder cut was launched after 2 weeks कितना रीच हुआ था
Hashtag
Snyder
restore the
Exactly.
Snyderverse. It was too
that
good.
was there. It was amazing but Ahan, one controversial thing that you posted on your story was that Superman ka entry was the best entry you've ever seen.
It was one of the
Nah,
best
fam.
entries I've ever
No, you
seen.
said the best.
Honestly,
You said the best and
it
I
was the best because
so,
see,
Nah.
so
when,
was it
when you
better
show
than Thor's
script-
entry
the
was it
entire-
better
I
than
thought
Thor's
Thor's
entry?
entry was amazing in Infinity War.
Thor's
The-
entry was
कौन सा
amazing amazing. I'm not saying it wasn't.
Wait,
I just feel like,
Superman entry in
considering
Snyder
how
Cut.
underwhelming Superman has
Search it
been
up.
in the movie industry, like they've always shown him to be the weirdo chap, you know, the good Boy Scout. So to show such an amazing entry like that, you know, he's just zooming in from space and he takes zero damage from a humongous axe. It was just amazing to see. You know, they're finally doing justice to Superman. If you look at the previous movies, they were just so bad, like so bad. I can't even begin to tell you.
I mean, I agree in all that Superman's one of or the most famous superheroes of all time, but I truly think that it's a bit sad that he is powerful and has all this stuff because he's on another planet.
Yeah,
And I
That's
think,
sad.
yeah, I mean, I mean, as soon as in Batman versus Superman, he lost.
yeah, he got
He
destroyed.
lost.
yeah.
He was getting destroyed by Batman. Okay, Batman
Kryptonite.
gave up on him because their
Kryptonite.
mother had the same name. That is why I get pissed off at DC. Okay, you could have killed the guy there, and that would have been so much more epic.
Yeah,
Fam,
and I
if
Would
Batman
have
remember,
been
have
so
killed
much more
Kryptonite.
epic.
I remember how
Yeah.
Civil War and Dawn of Justice was released in the same year, and matlab, Civil War was so much better and had an amazing ending comparatively this stupid movie.
Yeah,
No,
see,
but it has a sensible ending. But like,
honestly,
mummy can.
Batman versus Superman, it wasn't very Batman versus Superman. It was more Batman prepares to beat Superman, then he beats Superman, and then he just decides to team up with Superman.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What was that?
Very
It was
weird,
basically
yeah.
Justice League. It was basically Justice League Volume 1.1.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
Because
I
you
don't
have
know,
Wonder
that's
Woman,
so bad.
you have Superman, you have Flash introduced in a tiny way,
Yeah.
and then you have Batman. What else do you need? Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, the golden trio.
Yeah, of
that's pretty much
DC.
it.
That's
basically-
basically
the Justice
League. Batman, Superman, and
Wonder Woman. Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah,
whole DC DC cinematic universe.
Yeah.
and I think
Uh-huh.
if they would go with Zack Snyder's thing, I didn't know
Oh,
they're
yeah.
not going with it. If they go with that, it is. I was interested. Now I'm not. I'm like, I don't care anymore because they introduced
the next
Martian
DC movie?
Manhunter. They Martian Manhunter को introduce किया. Green Lantern को थोड़ा वो snippet दिया था.
Next
Yeah.
DC movie is
Darkseid
Flash,
was
I think.
there,
Flash.
Prasad was there.
Yeah, Flash.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, by the way, Flash with that
No.
Michael Keaton's coming back as Batman. They're sacking Ben Affleck again.
What?
Yeah, I know
Michael
That is
Keaton-
such a
no.
major issue with DC.
what?
I just like to
I
say.
thought it
even
was
Henry
all time
Cavill
travel.
को
I thought
even-
that was
Why
time
they-
travel.
No,
Time
no,
travel
no,
करेगा
no,
ना. That's why
no,
Michael
नहीं,
Keaton will be there.
No,
Yeah,
so-
that's exactly why old man Batman's going to
Yeah,
be
old
coming.
Batman will be there.
Nahin,
because he
what
time
I'm
travels.
trying to say is कि they sacked Henry Cavill also as Superman.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was
But they're trying
that's
to
quite
bring
sad,
him-
yeah.
That's what I find the major problem about DC, the Batman and Superman problem. Have you seen how many Batmans there have been? Just look
Ben
back.
Affleck
at
was
the-
not very-
I thought Ben
Yeah.
Affleck was a good Batman.
Yeah, but the
Ben Affleck was the
Batman
best
before.
Batman, look,
No, not
Yeah.
the
I
Dark
would
Knight
say-
wala Batman was better, honestly.
Wait.
He was
No, Dark
No,
Knight
he was-
wala Batman was good because of Joker.
Yeah.
Yeah, he
Nahin,
was
right.
a good
Joker
actor.
carried
Joker
the
was
movie.
better. Joker carried the
Yeah.
movie, true.
Yeah, Joker.
But
Wasn't
Ben
there a
Affleck
Batman
was
movie
built
coming?
for Batman.
Wasn't there a Batman movie coming?
Yeah, even that is coming.
That's Robert
Batman.
Pattinson, right?
Robert
Yeah.
Pattinson.
Yeah, Robert Pattinson.
क्या कितने एक्टर है 7-8 एक्टर है क्या
No, वही
Batman
तो
के
कह
लिए?
रहा
Yeah,
हूँ
so
कि
there
वही
is
कह
They
रहा
both
हूँ।
are
so
there.
original
They-
Michael Keaton. Fam, freaking George Clooney has been Batman.
Yeah.
It was the worst
Christian,
Batman
even
ever.
Christian Bale, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Christian
Christian
Bale
Bale
was
was
a
the
Christian
good
Bale was
Batman.
the well-known one. He was one of the well-known.
That's
Yeah,
what I was.
because
he and-
He's the one now who's in
Dark
Dark Knight
Knight
Rises
and,
Dark Knight.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the Batman I was talking.
Yeah. He's the Batman in Dark Knight.
And
But
See,
what do you
honestly-
think was the best? What do you think was the best origin story, like in DC and in Marvel?
Okay, that's a real
Okay.
tough, honestly.
Yeah.
okay,
Um,
see, mine's a bit obvious, but yeah, I'm not gonna.
What-
Oh,
I mean,
know, yeah.
you know what? I'm actually gonna. Actually, I have no clue because
I think MCU का whatever the cinematic वाला का Iron Man is the best.
हाँ.
The
Yeah,
cinematic
Iron Man
universe,
is really
Iron Man
cool.
is the best.
Iron Man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's like
yeah,
Batman,
bro.
yeah.
Origin
Yeah,
Origin
Iron
story.
Man.
story, honestly.
Origin
that,
story.
that
Iron
kicked
Man is the
everything
best.
off, nah. That
Yeah.
kicked everything.
No,
that was
but
the
his
first
story
movie.
was also good. His story was also good. Him being trapped.
Yeah, the
in
first
cave.
movie was amazing.
Exactly.
It's
The
so
I
first
just-
good.
movie
No, the first
was a
movie.
hit. Bhai, you know, after watching the first movie that
Yeah,
this is going to
it's
be a
gonna go
big
far.
deal in
It's
10
gonna go
years.
far.
Iron Man was another level. Robert Downey Jr. of course is an amazing actor too. So
Hmm.
that's there. But everyone, like many people, consider Superman ka pehla movie or Man of Steel as one of the best origin stories of all
I
time.
don't know.
It was one of the
Steel.
best.
I
Man of
didn't
Steel
like
is
it that much.
superbly done movie.
Man of Steel
Regardless
It's a
of
well
what
done
others
movie,
think.
Yeah,
but
Man of
Man of
Steel
Steel
is
was
better
good.
than
Man of
Iron
Steel was
Man.
good. But Iron Man's origin
Nah.
was quite same as Batman ka origin story.
Yeah,
Batman-
They both are rich
practically the
people.
same.
Their
Around
parents
that,
die.
around
It's not.
They,
Batman is not
You
Superman.
can't say
they become
origin is
rich
same. You can't say
millionaires.
origin is same.
Yeah, it is Rishabh.
Bro,
Their
origin.
parents both die, so they become like,
around,
oh, I want to
around
save
that.
the world, and they both do the same thing. They both wear armor. They both have high tech. They are both
They are
rich.
rich.
Yeah.
Like, what's the difference, Rishabh? Bata na. Literally.
Iron
They
Man
have
the
bad
Batman,
like
yeah.
that.
Iron Man
It's
is
like
bad.
95% copy. Just one
One
is
is
black.
Iron Man, the one is
One is in
bad.
black and
Okay,
one is
Oh,
in
you know,
red.
Tarjan makes a
That's
point
it.
over here.
That's
Like,
why I
I'll
don't
tell you
like
what the
that.
difference is. I'll tell you what the difference.
Iron Man has better technology, honestly.
Yeah.
No, yeah,
no
that's true.
chance.
But
No chance. No chance.
What did you
Are
say,
you crazy?
Rishab?
Batman has 100% better.
Can we
Come on.
guys petition?
Batman
imagine
Batman
Batman,
podcast.
imagine Batman in
Batman.
nanotech suit. Imagine
Oh,
Batman in
fam.
nanotech suit.
He'd be
Have you
too good.
seen
He'd be
that?
too powerful.
Have
He'd
you
be
ever
too
seen that, Rishabh? How are you?
Actually,
How you?
see,
कौन से basis पे तो
It
बोल रहा
depends
है?
on how basis technology. मतलब
Does Rishabh
weaponry
does
technology Batman has much better.
yeah, that's what I was gonna
Yeah.
say too. Secondly,
हाँ, I mean, he has
does
guns. Yeah.
bhai, but does Batman have an AI too? Matlab like Jarvis, does it have?
Yeah,
an
what do
AI?
you think
He
the
has
He has
a
a
Batman
real
is?
life butler.
He
a
has
real
his
life
butler. He has a
Yeah.
human.
No, he has his AI also, na? The
Yeah, he has his
Batcomputer
AI.
also
He
has
has
his
his AI.
AI.
He has his AI.
He has everything, fam. His
Yeah.
power is money.
I
Nahin,
mean,
but
He has
I
a
would
lot
say
of money, bro.
Iron Man is
Iron
much
Man.
better, even from my
yeah,
point of
Iron
view.
Man is responsible. Everything that Iron Man is because of him, not because he made everything himself. He didn't rely on the science section or division of freaking Wayne Industries. Because
Yeah.
have you seen Batman make a gun himself? Yeah, sure, he has some
Nishan,
brains
yeah,
and stuff like
see,
that.
for a
Nishan,
matter
tu
of fact,
wanna-
that's
He's
where you
literally
go
Iron
wrong.
Man,
That's where you
bro.
go
He does the
wrong.
same thing.
I mean,
bro.
Batman.
Okay,
He is.
okay. Secondly,
he is
I would
he's not dumb
say
also. He's not-
Batman is
He thinks
yeah.
Batman
See,
is
Rishabh, he's
dumb.
not dumb. He's not dumb because there was this one comic scene where he literally makes a video explaining how to kill every single Justice League member.
Yeah,
I know,
that's
I
true.
saw that.
That's
I
pretty-
saw
true.
that. Yeah, I know. So
Yeah,
if
so I'm
Batman,
pretty
was
sure
Batman
he's
versus Justice League, Batman would win.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
that's
would
true.
win.
Batman versus
He knows
Justice League.
weaknesses.
Alone
Yeah.
right
Alone.
now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Alone.
I doubt that.
Fam,
if
he
he's
has
prepared,
actually
if he's
If he's
prepared,
Yeah.
prepared.
prepared.
Hundred
Surprise
percent.
attack me is dead. Surprise attack me is
Saying
Surprise
he
attack,
has
of course.
prepared
But he'll escape,
contingency
but he won't
plan
win.
He
You know
won't
saying?
win. I still don't. Even if
Batman?
he's prepared, I
No,
don't
he
think
will
he'll
prepare.
win.
He will.
Unorthodox
He
होते हैं भाई चीजें.
He will win.
I
Like,
don't,
he
but
can-
bro,
he
knows
will
his
know
weaknesses.
weaknesses.
He knows his
He will
He's
know
not
weaknesses.
weaknesses.
Taskmaster.
Yeah.
He's not Taskmaster.
Right.
See, the thing
Bro,
is,
it doesn't have
Batman
to be Taskmaster.
I
Yeah.
think Batman, because he was part of the Justice, he was able to analyze them. So he knows exactly
Mhm.
what they are vulnerable to. And because in the Justice League, they've always shown mind control as a big thing, it's always been in case they get mind controlled and go bad, how can he take them down?
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah,
he will easily take down the entire Justice League and he barely will have to lift a finger.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
he can kill Superman much easier than in Batman versus Superman because there's something known as red kryptonite or something. I'm not
Yeah,
I'm
Red
not sure.
Kryptonite.
Yeah,
But,
and
oh,
that's
that
much
is-
more.
We can't go into deep on the rabbit hole, bro. That's
Acha,
another
let's
level.
try kind of
Yeah.
extract.
What's your favorite
and
superhero?
let's just continue.
What's your favorite superhero?
Yeah.
Across it doesn't matter. Marvel, DC combined.
That is stupidly tough.
Favorite, no? Or
Favorite.
the strongest? No, the most famous. The strongest we know. who
Strongest
it
is strongest is irrelevant. Favorite, the one you like the most.
Okay, favorite, fine.
Who you want to win in a fight?
Nishan, go first.
The one you want to win in a fight.
Oh, me.
Hey,
you
no, that's the
already
strongest.
know.
Rishabh, shut
No,
up.
no,
Then that
want,
you'll-
want,
That's
you
strong,
want.
that would be
The-
strong.
the-
Support,
the
you will
one-
support.
the
Hey,
one
Rishabh,
you
If you want to
support, the
meet
one
a
you
superhero
support,
physically, like
support,
us,
yes. Support, yeah.
I would kind of say if I had to meet someone, it would be Iron Man. I mean, he can pay for my college tuition.
Okay, Nishan.
Yeah,
Gold नहीं है, ले लो उसी वोट नहीं है,
Very
college
good.
से ले लो, ले drop दिया.
yeah, but he is my favorite, obviously.
Okay, Iron Man.
Or
Okay. Fair,
the
fair.
reasons I don't
Fair,
have to
it's
state.
fine.
Yeah.
Ahan,
Ahan.
See, mine is a little tough, but I just go with Spider-Man. I mean, regardless of Tom Holland doing a pathetic
Spider-Man.
job in the MCU,
Wait, what?
Spider-Man-
He's
You
not
think so?
pathetic,
Oh,
yeah. Let's
pathetic.
not. We'll stop.
Pathetic.
We'll go. We'll get
Oh,
to that.
controversial
पहले एक
opinion.
opinion है. That's a controversial. I have seen
Bro, I
that
think
on
he
your
was the
story too,
best
but
one so
anyways.
far. I
Okay,
hated
shush,
both the
no
others.
chance.
Shush.
Okay.
Okay,
we
guys.
can debate on this later. I have a
Arjun,
whole argument.
Arjun, say.
White Power Ranger.
That is
Easy.
a classic. That is a classic. I
That-
support
that- he's a
you. I
stupid
support
guy.
you. I support you.
Bro,
White
he's
One
so-
was the
he's
one who
so
was
sick,
evil
man.
and then went back. That was actually sick.
Yeah,
When I
he's
watched
so
that,
sick.
was
He's the most
actually-
epic
Bro,
Power
this
Ranger
guy's
out there.
Japanese
support
cinematic
actually.
universe.
Imagine
JCU,
somebody
bro.
says Naruto now.
Oh.
Rishant,
Oh
you
wait,
go-
yeah, I
Rishant,
could
do
have
you want
said
to
some
go?
anime character.
No, that's not super.
अरे
they're not
Marvel
super
को बोल
heroes.
Marvel
Arjun,
DC,
Arjun
Arjun, say
Marvel को
proper.
बोल Arjun
Marvel
Marvel को
DC,
बोल.
Marvel DC, Marvel DC.
Doctor Strange.
Oh,
Ah,
Easy.
classic.
I don't know.
That was pretty cool.
Fair
one,
enough.
honestly. I
Yeah, he's
respect
quite
Doctor
cool.
Strange.
He can do a lot of shit.
Yeah, I'll go with Captain America.
oh, hated garbage.
Simple
Captain
Steve Rogers.
Oh,
See.
but isn't he gone now?
Even Iron Man is gone.
Iron Man is
Rishant,
gone.
Yeah.
Rishant,
Sure,
just shut
but-
up, Raya. Just shut
Sure,
up. Bro.
but-
Why do you want to start with it now? You know he's a god. He's practically a god at this point, Rishant. Please be quiet. Okay, anyways,
So,
Rishabh, go on.
yeah, very surprising यार. But I don't know if any. But काफी underrated है. You know, किसी को पता नहीं होगा इधर कौन
अच्छा,
है.
let's just go on. ये ज्यादा भाव खा रहा है.
Flash, of course, Flash, easily Flash.
Yeah.
Flash is
He's
awesome.
a- he's
Yeah,
not a
honestly,
bad
I
actor.
agree.
He's not a bad
Flash
actor.
is the
Which one?
If you see the Flash
Which
TV
Flash?
series,
The
it is
Flash is
so
a character.
good.
I don't like. See,
TV
What did he
series.
say?
Flash.
I read none of-
TV series Flash season 1.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is the
Yeah,
TV
best.
series.
That
wala.
is the
Oh
best
yeah,
Flash
season
ever.
one.
I don't know. I know about as a character. I like Flash as a character. I don't
Has
really care
everyone
about
watched
Yeah.
Flash over
I don't
here
care
at this
about the
point? मतलब first
actor.
season.
I've seen all the seasons of
Um,
Flash,
no.
honestly, up till date.
Arjun के
Season
अलावा
7
सबने
में छोड़
देखा
दिया. Season 7 में छोड़ दिया मैं.
Yeah,
I'm on-
season 7 I hated. I
I'm
hated
on
season
season
7 to
6
the bottom
now.
of my heart.
I just watched season 1.
Did you
Season
finish
seven
season
was
1?
so
Season 1 is
depressing.
good. Season 1 is pretty
Did you
good.
finish season 5, Rishant?
Yeah,
Season 5
100%.
sucks.
yeah.
Season
I-
bro, you can't say season 5 sucks. Season 5 does
Nah,
not suck.
it's not
His
as good as
suit is
season
so
1.
bad. His
Bro,
suit is so
look
bad.
at the reverse Flash comes back. Season
Yeah, that's
five-
let's
that
go.
is awesome.
Yeah,
season
Flash.
5
But his suit is
finale.
Flash fan.
Season
Okay,
5
we-
finale
we
We
are-
have
was
Flash over
amazing.
here.
My
actually,
favorite was
finale was
season
amazing.
3. Savitar
We'll
was
launch our
such a
Flash
good
once.
villain.
Savitar was okay.
Yeah.
Avatar was amazing.
Savitar
From
was-
the
after
reveal of
Avatar
Savitar
was
was so
Bhai,
awesome.
Zoom was इतना अच्छा नहीं था. I expected
Zoom
a
was
better
trash.
villain.
Zoom also really
Yes.
good. I liked it. Top 3 are really good. Four,
Yeah,
Devo
first
is
3
garbage.
seasons is
Devo
good.
is थोड़ा
So
meh.
Devo
Yes.
boring हो जाता है.
So
And the fifth
Yeah.
one तो और
Cicada
घटिया
is
हो
garbage.
जाता है.
Cicada is garbage, but
Cicada
Reverse
नहीं,
Flash is
cockroach.
amazing.
What?
Reverse Flash is amazing. Reverse Flash
Yeah, Reverse Flash is
finale was
amazing, bhai.
Yes.
He's
And that
Reverse Flash
actor
is the
himself
best.
is
Amazing.
brilliant. That
Amazing.
actor is brilliant,
Yeah.
bhai, Harrison
That
Wells
actor is
wala.
an amazing actor. Tom Calabar.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Easy,
Honestly,
amazing.
I think Savitar's reveal was very underrated. Like the fact that how they show Barry thinks about
Right.
about his entire past and future timelines, and then he finally realizes that Savitar is nothing but a future version of himself.
Yeah.
Superb. I loved it.
Yeah, even I
Yes,
loved it.
yes. Yes,
Yeah.
epic.
So Arjun basically
I love
spoilers
that.
for you, so
I
enjoy
love that,
that.
bro.
Anyways, moving on from Flash, acha, so we all are Indians, by the way. So we've seen over the years how the Bollywood has adapted superhero concept from.
Bro,
Flying.
no one watches Bollywood. Bollywood
jet,
is
flying
gay.
jet.
I mean,
You're talking
You
about
can't
flying jet
compare.
now. Flying jet. bro.
Flying jet.
Oh,
easy, bro,
bro,
easy,
those are
man.
Chris,
existed.
Chris.
Krish is the best.
Oh,
Krish is
Krish.
good. Krish is
Chris
good.
is actually good, but
I actually
Rest
watched
are trash.
Chris 3 in
Rest are trash.
the
Same.
theater. I remember Chris
Krish
3 the whole
was
plot.
dope, fam.
I remember the
Chris
whole
three
Yeah,
was
even I
God.
remember. Carl,
think so
Carl,
far-
Carl.
so
the
far-
child, he controlled steel and he killed his parents by mistake.
Arey bhai,
Then he became
Carl,
evil.
Carl.
He killed his what? He killed his parents by mistake, so he was like, no, I'm evil now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Carl. Carl was so good, man.
Yeah,
Vivek
Chris
Oberoi did
Triga.
such a good job. as Carl.
Chris is OP,
nah,
bro.
I think so far the best Indian superhero movie in terms of CGI was
Shaktiman.
Robot 2.0.
Shaktiman.
That was
No, I mean,
funny.
The
Rishant,
best
you
is Chota
remember
Bheem.
you remember watching Robot 2.0? The 3D was amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
bro,
was
Robot
awesome.
2.0 was
It
amazing,
was
man.
good. The
It
CG
was
was good.
especially the
The
It
robot
was
No
theater.
was
one
good.
talks
cheap,
about the
na?
The
story. No one talks about the
yeah,
The
story. I'm
robot
Black
talking
Widow
about
is
the
so
was
I
bad.
CG.
mean the
Wait,
theater, bro. It was amazing, man. Like the CTEX, all that was so comfortable. Anyways,
Okay,
let
yeah.
us talk about
Nice,
Prasad,
nice,
bro.
isn't
Rishant.
that
Nice.
Terminator?
No, no,
Rather?
हाँ definitely. So whenever
That's
I go for
Terminator,
exam
no?
ना,
Okay.
whenever I give an exam ना, I always look up कि मेरे ऊपर robot मेरा exam नहीं डाल रहा ना. Because I remember the
Oh my
scene when some
god.
girl was
Oh,
giving her
that
Uh,
scene.
exam,
Oh, yeah,
and
Do
yeah,
the
you
yeah.
robot
Oh
actually
yeah,
do
was
that?
Sam.
projecting her answers on the screen on
That
her
was so
paper,
weird,
so she
Sam.
wouldn't fail.
Yeah, right.
oh,
Yeah, I don't
Wow,
know why I remember
bro.
that,
same.
but yeah,
Yes, same,
Will
You know
bro.
too,
what?
For
will
It was
too.
sure.
it
actually
was
a good
actually the
movie.
same. It was actually the same.
Robot 1 was good.
Why are you talking
Yeah,
about
Robot 1 was
robot?
the
awesome.
story
Robot
Super.
made
2.0
Krish
sense.
was
was just
also
too much
good. Krish was
Rajnikant.
also good. Matlab first movie. That's what I think.
Yeah,
Saab
see,
Do
the
Krish
not
film
put him
was
stories
in
are
awesome.
the
fine. The
There's
stories
four
are
आने
fine.
वाला
I
है.
mean, no one talks about Shaktiman and Chota
yeah.
Bheem and all
Shaktiman
those
Yeah,
वो
is
कौन
not
सा
nobody
movie
talks
था?
हमारे
about
age
Flying
के,
Jet,
that's
okay?
why.
Talking
Yeah,
वो
about
कौन सा movie
flying
Flying
था
Jet
jet
जिसमें
is
is
आमिर
awesome.
awesome.
खान था और twins थे and they used to be a circus? वो कौन सा movie था?
That's Doom, you bought.
Nah,
Oh, that was
That's
Doom.
Doom.
Nah,
Doom.
the
अब
Doom
Don't
is
निशान
start.
चालू
superhero.
कर देगा.
Doom
निशान
is
Doom
चालू
3
कर
start.
superhero.
देगा.
They
Doom
have twins.
3.
They have twin
Yeah,
superpower.
yeah,
That's why.
right.
Doom 2 was awesome. Doom 3
Ta-na-na-na-na-na.
Nah,
don't
Okay,
start.
okay, okay, okay.
Let's
it's becoming
Yeah.
cringy.
let's move
Cringy.
on.
Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on.
Black Widow. Black Widow.
Oh,
Okay, thank
Oh,
you, Rishabh, for
okay.
This is
transitioning.
a very
What's your honest review on Black Widow?
lamest
I
movie.
have I have an awesome opinion on Black Widow.
Guess
Like,
first.
okay,
Yeah, Ahan
Nishan go
answer.
Yeah,
for,
yeah.
okay.
Ahan, you.
Yeah, I'll go
Ahan,
first.
bro.
Also, honestly, I mean, in terms of like building up hype for Phase 4, Black Widow was horrible. Like, it had zero suspense. Nobody really cares about that sister becoming a bad guy or a good guy. We don't care about you. We don't care about the Hawkeye
Yeah,
series.
we don't care
It
about
doesn't
Red
matter to
Guardian.
us. Kill Clint Barton for all I care. I think in terms of importance, like the message being sent in Black Widow, it was a super movie. Like, compare it to all the solo movies, like Captain America: The First Avenger. I mean, it was good. It wasn't that great. I think it was a little dragged up. Thor 1 was a disappointment. Spider-Man: Homecoming. I mean, I know this is going to be controversial, but it was trash. I hated Spider-Man: Homecoming. Yeah,
Controversial opinion.
controversial
It was
opinion.
better than that. It was better than that freaking Spider-Man movie with Electro and all that bullshit.
Stop.
Oh
You can't
no.
Garfield,
disrespect. You
Garfield is
can't
the
No.
best.
disrespect
Garfield is
Bro,
the best.
Andrew
Garfield and
Garfield.
Maguire are
You
God.
can't
Andrew
disrespect
Garfield
it.
was the best.
Andrew Garfield was 100% the best.
Yeah,
Easily.
Holland is like Iron Man's child.
That is true.
He's
We
That is
aren't
true.
going
he's
I
not
there
mean,
scared
yet.
of
We
any
aren't
guns.
going
I
there.
mean that's how
We
they
aren't
set it
going
up.
there yet. Calm down,
I
okay?
mean
Black
that's how
Widow
they
से
set it
हॉलैंड
up.
कहाँ आ गए भाई? हॉलैंड मतलब फुटबॉलर नहीं. Let's stay at Black Widow. Nishan, what were your thoughts?
I think the whole purpose of the thing was setting up Hawkeye more than giving a farewell to Black Widow.
Yeah, I
I
can agree
mean,
with that.
looking at the
Oh.
internet and all that shit, people loved her sister more than Black Widow.
Yeah, that's true.
Very weird.
And it was
But
funny because it was almost like they were glorifying her sister because they didn't care that she's gone anymore. They were just caring about abhay hamara bhi future movies set up karna hai, so she
yeah,
has to look better than her because
but I think in terms of a finale, like to end Scarlett Johansson's reign as Black Widow, I think it was a pretty decent ending. I mean the entire
yeah, I mean she
female
ends her
traffic.
roots.
Yeah, I'm saying when you look into the details, about how it talks about human trafficking and all. How it's Black Widow, the one of the most iconic female superheroes after Wonder Woman. It's a good
Yeah,
way to end the story. She helped more females, inspired them to become good people.
I mean as much as Black Widow is an amazing comic character and all that crap, at the end of the day she's nothing special, yeah. Yeah, I
She's
can
so
Yeah,
have a,
she's
I
there
underrated.
who
can,
can beat all
Special,
of
I
us
can,
अकेले. But
I
that's
mean,
just
I
it.
can
true.
have a, I can have a commando or something like that, and I wouldn't miss her.
Yeah.
I mean,
She doesn't
sure,
have anything special.
what is her power? What is her power?
Assassin.
She can fight on hand-to-hand combat. Yeah, no shit.
Yeah.
Any other Avenger can do that.
I
And
mean,
there were like tons of the
Unless you're Iron
same.
Man.
Yeah, I mean, there are tons of the same people in freaking whatever Red Room. They were the same. They were trained the
Yeah.
same way. They were kept it the same way. So I can't know why she's
right.
an Avenger at
But
the end of the day.
Yeah.
but
Makes sense.
हाँ,
It makes sense.
right, right,
Because it was basically she is a trained assassin.
agreed.
He holds
Yeah.
part of a shield. So
Yeah.
Wow, that's it.
yeah,
That's it.
but
And she was luckily,
Bro, OP.
she was,
he was
she
very
was
lucky. She was
luckily,
very lucky. She was very lucky.
she was luckily at the helicarrier the time Agent Coulson died, and now she's an Avenger. Do you
Yeah.
really think that Nick Fury was planning to put her in? No,
No, not at
no.
all.
Are you crazy?
No, no,
No.
he was. He
Put a
was.
normal human being in the
He
Avengers.
didn't. So
Yeah,
Maybe
normal
Hawkeye.
person in
Maybe
Avengers, no
Hawkeye.
chance.
Maybe Hawkeye. Let's say maybe Hawkeye
Hawkeye was
because
already.
Yeah.
Hawkeye's
Hawkeye,
gonna
Yeah,
be
Hawkeye
old
is
and all.
OP.
Hawkeye made Black Widow come. Hawkeye was the reason Black Widow is there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Black Widow wouldn't have been
Budapest.
there without Hawkeye, and she was in the Avengers just because she was assigned that mission at the time. Wow,
So
it was
she
just
got
luck.
lucky. She got lucky.
That's ironic.
No one will miss
Yeah,
her.
that's what I'm
No one
saying.
cares about her now.
But she's the reason why Thanos is dead. So
I mean,
Wow.
sure, like Hawkeye could have jumped off.
Oh, oh my! Only she could
Okay,
die. No one else could have
okay.
died from that. No one could have survived that
Sure,
part. That's
sure,
why.
sure.
Only
Okay,
she could have
anyways,
died.
anyways, and Rishabh, do you want to give your review on Black Widow?
it was it was a 5 out of 10.
Oh,
I would give
Five
the
out
same
of
rating.
10.
Dude,
I
that's
would give
very
the same.
controversial.
It was okay. It was decent.
I give it a
was
7. I give it a
Stranger
7.
Things का actor था, which was thoda funny. Like he was like 3 out of 10 funny.
Yeah.
50% of his jokes
Yeah.
are funny.
R.I.P. Stranger Things fans.
Yeah.
yeah. But I don't
Arjun,
know.
Wait,
what do you
again,
think?
I also give. I'll give 4.
You'll give a
4.
Very boring movie. I've done so much. There
Bro,
was like
Rishabh,
no,
Critics gave
according-
this at 8. Critics gave it a 8.
Exactly.
It
That's
was
the
a
funniest
good
part.
movie.
People give it as a
That's the
movie,
funniest
yeah.
part, bro. You know, like
Funny.
even I had such high expectations from this movie,
same.
especially when I asked Jahan how the movies. I asked Nishan, they were like, it's pretty good. So what I expected was कि I'll understand how Black Widow met Clint, matlab Hawkeye. Like they will explain that journey of hers, not
Yeah, मेरे को भी
her,
वही लगा था.
not her
Even I
running.
thought that.
Yeah, that's what I expected. This movie, this was the like I know it will be controversial, but this was the worst project after Hulk in Marvel. That's
Oh,
how
that
bad
the
this movie is.
Incredible Hulk movie. Oh my god.
I was
Damn.
pura movie. I was waiting for
Iron Man 3
the
was
movies.
garbage.
Iron Man 3 was so
I know,
bad.
but
can't...
I know, I
The
agree. But
Mandarin one.
this one was worse.
No,
That's
Yeah,
what
I mean,
no
it
chance,
was.
no
It was. I
chance.
would.
I
The
think
whole
Nah.
Mandarin thing was much worse.
Yeah, I'm excited
mean,
for
He
Mandarin.
goes,
in
finds a
Shang-Chi.
kid, he finds a kid and makes him a, I don't know, क्या था वो?
Super
Slave.
movie
heated
was
human being.
literally,
Human torch. They made him human torch.
Rishabh, see, for a matter of fact, we know that Iron Man,
Extremists.
the superhero is interesting. I mean, Iron Man as a superhero is interesting. We expect Black Widow ka plot to be interesting to make the superhero interesting, but in my eyes, neither of those things were good. I mean, we know
See,
Black
I
Widow ki
think
powers
Black
are
Widow,
rather
it
damn
watch
good.
wasn't.
Black
It
Widow
was
than
just
Iron
for
Man
the
2
hype.
again. Iron Man 3 again.
2 was good, huh? 3 okay.
Watch Thor: The Dark World and then watch Black Widow. You will find
Nah,
Black
fam.
Widow a star
Nah,
movie
nah,
compared to
I,
Thor: The
Marvel
Dark
has
World.
made some bad movies.
Yeah, but
Yeah, Thor:
from
The
Yeah,
Dark
but
World.
You
See,
can't expect them to be like
not
all
as
good.
bad
Yeah,
as
like
some
if
of the
you look
DC
at-
movies that have been bad.
right.
oh fam,
Yeah,
Justice
yeah,
League
that's true. That's
2017
true. That's
one was-
facts. That's
Hey,
facts.
Justice
Oh,
League,
Justice
bhai,
League, bro.
bhai.
Facts.
It's so
I would-
bad,
Justice League was
Justice.
terrible.
Some of the DC movies are just so disappointing, यार. मतलब it's like
Aquaman was a
there
comedy
are a
movie.
bunch of directors in DC और उनको खुद का ही universe चाहिए. They have
Yeah,
no
yeah.
clue
कोई
what's going on.
coordination नहीं है ना,
Okay.
writers में coordination
कोई
नहीं है.
coordination है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Writers में
Okay,
कोई plan
the
नहीं
best
है.
the best movie so far is Deadpool 1 and 2. Period.
Deadpool
That's
was
it. That's
awesome.
the only.
Ryan Reynolds was
Deadpool
so
is the
good as
only
Deadpool.
thing.
Ryan
It's
Reynolds
not
is
even
such a
funny.
good actor, bro. How is he such a good actor?
Green
I don't
Lantern.
understand. The Green Lantern was
He's
a Green
insane.
Lantern was an
Ryan Reynolds is inhuman.
Skills, Rishabh skills.
Green Lantern was a fail. In fact, that's why they showed there. In fact, he was such
No,
a bad movie.
they showed
Deadpool.
him kill Green
They
Lantern.
should have killed Ryan Reynolds when he was reading Green Lantern 2.
Bhai, that was savage. That was actually savage. And Green
That was
Lantern
awesome.
is DC, right?
Yes.
So
But
that's
had
even more
Deadpool
swag.
makes references to the DC universe
नहीं
in
नहीं
the
तो like
movie.
that हाँ तो like that तो Flash में also कितने सारे Marvel references
Flash
है
के TV
Yeah.
series में, yeah.
हाँ तो that's there. I don't know.
But Deadpool
And
is
even
अलग ना.
in
Deadpool
Snyder
can-
cut, by the
yeah.
way, हाँ sorry to interrupt, but in Snyder cut the Ben Parker का tomb भी दिखाते हैं, मतलब ऐसा कुछ है on the wall.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I
Easter
remember
egg.
that.
Yeah.
It was a
it's
total
Easter
diss
egg.
at Marvel, fam.
So
My God, Ben Parker died.
I mean, this at Marvel
My
on what
God.
grounds? Matlab, it's not like they are doing amazing at anything.
Yeah,
Ooh.
honestly, yeah.
This at Marvel,
Oof.
when it's like Rice Gum dissing KSI. There is no basis.
Okay, let's
Oh,
not get
yes,
into
yes,
that.
yes,
Another
let's
15
go,
minutes
let's
fun
go.
hoega,
You
That
guys.
is
talk
Come on.
exactly what
about
that was.
Chill, chill, chill.
YouTube
Let's not
reel.
get into that. We'll get carried on. Samurai, please, bro. Okay,
Look,
everyone over
you
here
build some
hates.
foundation, then you diss. If you
Bhai,
don't have
Yeah,
everyone
any
over
exactly.
here hates
foundation,
rice gum.
diss.
Literally, he fell off. Everyone knows that. There's no rice gum.
राइस गम इज irrelevant यार बात ही क्यों
So
कर
why are
रहे
you
हो
Yeah,
यार
talking about
exactly.
him?
Why-
क्यों
Exactly.
पे
Rice
बात क्यों
gum.
कर रहे हैं
Comparing
why is his
Rice
name in our
gum.
mouths
Acha, so
Rice
we
gum.
know that future में there are many projects of Marvel coming up and DC also. So which
तुम
one
लोग बात
are
करो
you
I
the
have no
most
idea
hyped for? Which
Eternals.
movie are you
I mean,
Oh, yes.
most hyped for? Most like out of all like 2023 tak they have told about Anthem kya Ant-Man and
Multiverse of
Wasp ka
Madness.
Quantumania.
Yeah,
All those
Multiverse
are
of Madness.
Yeah,
Multiverse of
Doctor Strange.
Madness.
Doctor Strange. obviously.
Doctor Strange, Doctor Strange. But
I
I think
okay.
But this
Eternals
year,
is
I'm more
supposed to be
excited.
amazing.
Yeah,
This
Eternals
year
is
bhai
going to set a lot for the hierarchy of the power in the MCU because the
Celestials.
Eternals are Celestials and all.
huh. It will be good. It's going to be a hit movie. But what I personally think that the biggest movie of this year as a whole is going to be
Shang-Chi.
Spider-Man.
Oh
But are
yeah,
you
yeah,
dumb? Are you mad? Spider-Man away what is it? Away
Away
from
from
No
home?
Way Home. No
No
Way
Way
Home.
No
Home.
Way
No
Home.
Way
No
Home.
No Way
No
Home
Way
is going
Home
to
is
explain a lot. Like,
Basically,
I have
Spider-Man.
a, I have a
Yes.
comment. I have a comment on this.
if and
At the
when
moment, yes. At the moment,
uh,
yes. One of the most
uh,
successful movies this year will also be Shang-Chi.
yeah, Shang-Chi is going to be
And I
awesome.
can
Honestly, I'm
guarantee
super
it.
excited. Yeah,
Because Shang-Chi is like another Black Panther. It's a completely undiscovered
also, have you
world.
seen the VFX in Shang-Chi? It's insane.
Marvel
Yeah,
ke
Fing Fang
VFX
Foom looks
keeps on
beautiful.
increasing every
Yeah.
year.
Also,
Just keeps on-
we're finally getting a proper Mandarin, not that knockoff in Iron Man 3.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a
Oh,
proper
don't even
tailoring
talk
Mandarin.
about that यार मेरा
Yeah,
दिमाग पूरा दर्द होता है
That's
talk
a
about Iron Man 3
violation.
का Mandarin.
Violation, bro.
Yep. So
I think
Spider-Man mein
Oh,
okay. So let's get to
wait.
this topic
Venom
now.
is also
Thor
coming.
का
Wait,
Yeah,
Venom
Venom
is coming.
Yeah, let there be carnage.
Oh,
na?
Venom is also
yeah
coming.
Venom
That's
का
impressive.
Yeah, Let There Be Carnage will be hype.
Carnage,
Let
I think
there be
Carnage
Carnage.
is a really good villain I think Carnage is a really good
Well,
villain
obviously.
Huh.
Carnage
Carnage
is
is the
already
perfect
there.
villain they could have
in
picked for
Amazing
Venom.
Spider-Man.
yeah
He already
Carnage is a
came with
really good
Venom.
villain for Venom
Yeah, I agree 100%.
Like an arch
but
nemesis. na, proper.
didn't a perfect Carnage का whole psychotic vibe नहीं तो it won't look good
Yeah, he's
But
mental and he's
he
also
has
amazing.
he has to be mental he has to be literally a mental so be
Yeah, that
you have to
Literally
dude
a
they
mental.
showed in the
I know,
Venom
Literally a
post-credit
mental.
I
scene.
think
Quoted
English,
by
yaar.
Rishabh
English.
2021.
Literally a mental.
mental.
Literally
Quoted by
insane.
Rishabh
Literally
He has to be
2021.
insane. He has to be
Literally a
insane.
mental.
I'm
Okay.
insane.
No. Literally a
Literally,
mental.
yes,
Literally a
Ah.
mental.
Literally a mental.
He has to be properly insane. But he has to be
Properly insane.
Arey,
Properly.
kya? Not exactly good
Okay.
insane. Bad insane.
Okay.
Rishabh,
Let's
we
not
cannot
bully
speak
him
right
now.
now.
After the podcast, we'll bully him. Okay. Anyways, right now, so there are these rumors of all three Spider-Man. Matlab, Andrew Garfield,
Oh
Tobey
my.
Maguire, and Tom Holland ka Spider-Man coming in this movie. Do you all think that it is possible and will it happen?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah,
I mean,
Yeah,
after watching that
100%.
alligator Loki, yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Bro, it was
I
so
mean,
sick. These
See,
variants of
Especially it
Loki.
biting off the Loki ka kaan
Ah,
ke
Ah,
hath.
And
because
how
like,
they were just
Ah,
backstabbing everyone. And then they were
See,
like,
Yeah.
oh, you're
Yeah,
supposed to
Loki
help me.
backstabs Loki, who backstabs Loki, who backstabs Loki.
Yeah,
It
it
was
was-
controversial.
It
but,
was-
I seriously think that Avengers Secret Wars, which is supposed to be like the next Endgame level movie,
Man.
will be bigger than Endgame.
No
Because-
chance.
But when is it?
Zero
when
chance.
is
It
it
depends.
say.
It depends. See, that's a debatable opinion
Nah,
because it depends on
fam.
how
That
they
will
set
happen.
up these
Wait,
next
let me
few
I
explain.
got in
movies.
a few years, not
Let
right
me
now.
explain. An
If it
infinite
releases-
number of, let's imagine an infinite number of Thors
It doesn't matter.
or something
it
like
doesn't matter.
that, finding
There will
infinite
be
number of
bigger
villains.
villains.
How will
There will
they
be
do
much
that?
bigger
Nishan,
villains.
you have to understand.
It is going to be
Endgame
more
wasn't big
powerful.
because of the plot. It was big because of what led to the plot. Because
Yeah.
of Robert Downey
The
Jr.,
hype.
Chris Evans.
The hype was insane
Yeah.
for
Yeah,
Endgame.
no,
Everybody
Thor,
wanted to know
hype
what's next.
After Thor
literally
Ragnarok.
2 years for us to make a step towards Endgame.
The Infinity War, then Endgame.
Yeah.
Literally.
So they can't create that type of hype again. They have to wait a long
No,
time.
it will
take
take
time. It'll
7
take
to 8
3-4
years.
years.
It will take 7
What,
to 8 years.
7?
That's what I'm saying.
So I was like
Aram
4 years.
se.
4 years. 3-4 years.
Aram
Not
se.
7
No,
years.
no, no.
7
Three- तू कुछ नहीं हो रहा,
भाई,
3
भाई ये
साल में
लोग
कुछ
बहुत
नहीं
ज्यादा
होगा,
निकाल रहे हैं, they're
3-4
promoting
years
so
नहीं हो
hard.
रहा।
Like,
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं
3-4
होगा,
movies निकल रहे हैं एक साल में.
It's a
Like,
कुछ नहीं
series.
होगा 3
Okay.
साल में.
Okay, did you even know कि Black Widow का storyline happened between Civil War and
Yeah, that was obvious,
Infinity
that was
War?
obvious.
No,
Yeah, that was
what
true.
the
That was
series
Yeah,
are
yeah,
doing
yeah.
is they're just filling in those gaps.
Yeah.
Series.
Yeah,
It
because
looks like
they
they're
won't
throwing a
waste
lot
time.
at us,
They won't waste
because
time.
they
Not
need
everyone
to
will
throw
watch
it a lot.
series. Not everyone will watch series.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and they
No,
need
movies
to
से
throw
compared
that
series से
content
बहुत
at
Yeah,
us.
yeah, yeah.
मूवीज से कंपेयर सीरीज का बहुत होगा, कम होगा, बहुत कम.
हाँ, मतलब imagine Loki you had not watched. Okay, you watched Endgame, Spider-Man, and then you straight Black Widow, and then you straight jump to Doctor Strange. उसके बीच में
Oh
क्या हुआ?
my.
Yeah, तो that's the
Oh,
point.
you understand
I mean, look
nothing.
stupid.
You're answering a lot of questions.
So they
Yeah,
they
so-
the Russell brothers are also not stupid. Also, they'll make sure that you can understand. Suppose Doctor Strange without watching Loki. They'll make sure there's
Russo are
some base
directing
knowledge
Doctor
also.
Strange?
They'll have some base knowledge.
Did you just call Russo Russo?
Whatever
Russo.
the name is, yeah.
रसोई में कौन था? Russo
Bro,
था.
Rasoi.
Rasoi.
Oh my
Rasoi,
God,
brother.
Rasoi.
They'll have
अरे.
some basic
Bobby.
knowledge. अरे यार.
Rishab.
What are you doing?
Oh boy.
मैं इंग्लिश
Okay.
नहीं बोलता, हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
Oh, Rishabh.
Oh, Rishabh,
no,
going back to his roots and all
Some
that.
mother
I'm
tongue.
not talking,
okay.
but I'm not talking anymore. मत कर दो.
Okay. नहीं. Let's not do that for him. Let's
He's
not.
getting
no.
bullied at his own podcast. That is kind of
To all
sad.
the
Bullied
viewers,
by
bullying
guests.
is a,
Expected.
saying to all the
Bullied by
viewers,
guests.
bullying is a serious
Guess
issue.
somebody. Guys,
Acha,
we are opening a GoFundMe campaign.
Another thing.
Give me the money.
Rishabh needs all the money.
Okay, let's just transit. बहुत टाइम 1 घंटा हो गया होगा पॉडकास्ट को. Let's just go आगे. तो of course we know कि DC EU का universe like cinematic universe like no chance it is better than MCU. But
अरे let's go
like
to
reports.
Spider-Man यार, best Spider-Man.
हाँ, okay, sorry. Yeah, you know what, Rishabh, you're kind of helpful at this point. Okay, Ahan, best Spider-Man and why?
Okay.
Okay, you
this
know
is
what,
going to
best
be
Spider-Man
controversial.
and best Peter Parker.
Okay,
Aha.
that's more interesting.
Yeah,
I
that's
like
more
that.
interesting.
Okay, fair enough.
Okay, so like I think in terms of Spider-Man, Maguire did the role superbly. I think as a Spider-Man when his movie first came out, Maguire was the best Spider-Man. Garfield is close competition, but Maguire was the best Spider-Man by far. Peter Parker, I'd say, was Garfield. Holland is too young for the role, so he sucks straight away.
Yeah, all
But
that.
I mean, Spider-Man is supposed to be young.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
not.
Holland looks like a child.
Nishant
Holland looks like
Nishant.
Holland.
Yeah, Holland looks
Spider-Man
like
is
a
supposed to
12-year-old.
look like a child, but not a 12-year-old.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Gordon
12-year-old.
used to,
supposed
Gordon
to
used
look
to
like that.
Andrew Garfield. Gordon used to
Garfield was the
20s.
perfect
Yeah, that's what
age
it
for
is.
Yeah,
Spider-Man.
Garfield was sick.
Used to it, but this one fits in more. The
the
old
personal-
Spider-Man movies
I
are
think,
like.
actually, I'll wait till my chance.
Saying
Yeah,
honestly,
wait, yeah, sure.
I think the direction that Holland has potential to be the best, but the directors are doing a really bad job. They're just showing him to just follow in Iron Man's footsteps and not creating his own personal story. It all revolves around Iron Man.
One thing I don't like about Holland.
Mhm.
His villains all hate Iron Man. Vulture hated Iron Man. Mysterio hated Iron Man. Like why?
That's true.
Make a
Yeah,
own
good
Spider-Man
point.
story. Don't just follow up in Iron Man's
I
footsteps.
agree
'cause
with that.
He
Yeah.
was the hype of the MCU.
Mhm.
That's why Garfield was the best because they showed like a proper Peter Parker story from high school nerd to somewhat
Yeah.
most popular kid in class, and then suddenly a little depressed.
If that
Which is Peter.
Peter Holland make his own first suit, the one Tom, one Iron Man
Yeah.
caught him in. The first suit that would be thought interesting more.
That would have been amazing if they
Yeah.
made the entire Homecoming just on that suit and not Tony's suit. It would have been a good movie because it would be more original.
It
It's
would be
so
more
much of Iron Man.
more Spider-Man than like a Iron
Yeah.
Man sidekick.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
I was just disappointed. I like the look of the Far From Home suit. I just was disappointed they showed him use Stark Tech to do it.
I mean, yeah. Could
That
say
is,
that.
they have to keep on with the.
Yeah, but he
the
is
Iron Man
he
thing
is
now.
he is going into those steps, right? I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah,
he's a replacement. Like Falcon is a replacement for Cap. This guy is
Yeah.
a replacement for Iron Man because this
Yeah.
guy's inherited most of the wealth and money, or let's say half of it from Stark.
yeah.
Matlab, he has access to everything Stark would have. I mean, he is
Yeah.
clumsy. He's still a 21-year-old with a glasses that
He's
can
not
kill
even
anyone with a
20.
drone strike.
21.
But like,
What?
18. He's
21
18.
no,
Nishan,
21
Nishan.
no,
oh,
maybe
18,
19 or
sorry,
18.
high
18.
school, ha.
Yeah,
You're
no,
giving an
17, I think.
18-year-old,
17
your
or 16.
18-year-old glasses with which he can kill anyone and, mess up crushes texts. So it's not the best thing to do, but yeah, sure. Yeah.
I mean, I
I
understand where they're trying to go with it, but I just don't
mhm.
agree with the entire
Okay,
direction. I
so
think they should have made it more Peter centric and less, oh, I am Tony Stark's golden
So
boy.
I think what did
sidekick.
Nishan say? What his best Peter Parker is?
नहीं before Nishan says
I've not
Nishan
said
ने
it
अभी तक
yet.
बोला नहीं रुक जा तो Ahan regarding that I know it's Nishan's stance but I need to get this in the reason they made Tom Holland or Spider-Man of Marvel, this guy's sidekick is because we as audience have already witnessed Peter Parker
I know that.
losing
Yeah,
Ben
yeah.
Parker
Hmm.
and responsibility wala
Yeah,
thing. So what Marvel basically tried to experiment over here was not to get that particular
Again.
thing and on repeat because we know the origin story
Yeah, the
of
Spider-Man in the origin story is probably the
yeah,
most popular origin
हाँ
story.
हाँ वही अब तू
yeah,
Yeah.
देखेगा
Uncle
तो
Ben.
बैटमैन का जो बेन एफ्लेक है उसका नहीं हुआ ओरिजिन स्टोरी क्यों नहीं हुआ बिकॉज दे न्यू वील विटनेस द सेम थिंग एंड इट वोंट बी दैट फन but what they
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
that's
agree
why
with that part.
most of the most of the audience don't like amazing spider-man like out of all three wala spider-man because it is
Yeah.
literally a repetition of the first spider-man
I
that's what
believe
it is
Spider-Man
with
that
different with
Same.
different
going
villains
on.
anyways Nishan go on
Okay. What I think is, let's say, for my perspective, I would say this guy is the best Spider-Man, Tom Holland. I'll get to it why.
चलता है, it's your
And
opinion.
Peter Parker is Andrew Garfield. I agree with Ahan. But what I think with Tom Holland is, as Rishan said, they don't want the origin story to be repetitive. But what they're trying to do is they are trying to draw similarities between him and Falcon. How they are like Cap and Iron Man respectively are like their idols. They're
Yeah.
following them. Then they are still, trying to fix the Iron Man and Captain America's problems. Now, No Way Home is where it will be Spider-Man's problem with Doctor
Yeah.
Octavius, who is supposed to be the villain. I think that is where you will see Tom Holland as only Spider-Man, not being mentioned as Stark sidekick or something like that, and that is what will happen with Falcon as well in the next time he's reprising the role. So
That would be
अब
pretty
तक हम लोग ने
interesting, honestly.
हाँ तो हम लोग ने अब तक like I would say we have not seen Tom Holland as known as Spider-Man. No one's वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? What do you say when it's like he's a student? Yeah, he's like a
Student, say student.
You
yeah.
can just go student.
Yeah, so he's not a student. He's just now properly replaced him
Yeah.
in this movie.
Yeah.
He's like set in that role, so he will be properly just him. So I think people will like him even more in this movie than they did in Far From Home and Homecoming.
Yeah, I
This
can
time
agree
will be
with that.
free.
I mean, Nishan's point of view is also good. Like he has valid points regarding why Spider-Man, like why Tobey Maguire, Tom Holland is the best Spider-Man. But okay, but the difference over here is the origin story and uh, Tom Holland not getting the main stage makes him not that interesting as a character in his own movie.
Hmm.
I mean, for a matter of fact, the funniest part is कि Tony Stark's cameo in Spider-Man का first movie in of कौन सा था वो I get confused honestly.
Homecoming.
Homecoming में to Robert Downey Jr. who that is Tony Stark earned more than Tom Holland.
Yeah, that's
No, that's
true.
obviously the case. That's always going to be
Obviously,
the
that's
case.
obvious.
That's funny.
Because he's a bigger star now. So like
That's
he
He's a
obviously
bigger
demands
star.
for
They're
more
going to
money.
charge him that way.
And Tom Holland was not
उसने
that well
कुछ
known before Spider-Man.
He had
He's actually
earned
nobody.
76. He was
No,
paid
थोड़े
76
people knew,
million
but
just from Endgame.
But not that,
Yeah.
yeah.
They
yeah.
removed
That's why.
Stark, Captain America, Black Widow, not because they were not fitting into the MCU anymore.
They are
They
just
could have
too-
fit it in. Itna
That's
difficult नहीं होता.
वही.
Okay,
Money,
just
money.
because they were too expensive
Hemsworth is still
and they
there.
cannot afford to replace the actors.
Hemsworth
Yeah,
will go
because
after
people won't
Volume
like
3
it.
and Thor 4. Oh, he actually might die
He
in Thor
might-
4. We're not sure about that.
I
But
hope he does
Nah,
not.
I don't think so.
I hope.
think
Secondly,
Thor
I
is
hope he's there in
a
Young
good. I
Avengers.
think
As
Thor is a
one,
really good.
literally one Avenger should be there, na? जो initially starting से है.
हाँ.
That can either
Don't
be
keep
Hulk
Hawkeye. Kill
or
Hawkeye. I don't
Kill
want
Hawkeye.
it. मार दे,
I
मार दे,
beg,
मार
kill
दे.
Hawkeye.
खत्म कर दे, मार दे.
Hawkeye is the
Okay,
worst
calm down. Let's
Avenger
not be that
ever.
violent. Arjun, who do you think is the best Spider-Man, best Peter Parker?
I think Tobey Maguire was the best.
Both.
Like,
My man Arjun.
yeah. Like Ahan said, Tom Holland is just like he's too childish. Like you can't really expect a lot from him as Spider-Man. You'll expect him to be like, "Oops, I forgot." ऐसे करके he'll come in every scene.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
can get behind that.
and again he's like the shadow of Iron Man, so he's not doing anything quite iconic as of yet. And Andrew Garfield, I don't remember anything about him, but that means he was irrelevant. So yeah, Tobey Maguire is
Oh
What
my
are
God!
they?
If Arjun doesn't
क्या
remember
बात है,
anything, it's
Arjun?
irrelevant.
Can I
Yeah,
get
but-
Arjun?
I just
I
remember
remember
that Ben.
respectable.
I just remember that his uncle died. That's all. I don't remember
Why,
anything
that
else
is
about
horrible.
him.
Actually,
The
I
first Spider-Man.
I actually don't remember a scene of Andrew
Yes.
Garfield. I remember Tobey Maguire in like
Yeah, I remember Tobey
kissing
Maguire and all
wala,
Can I
that.
just
him
say
doing the black suit
Versus
dance and all
Electro
that.
versus the Green Goblin, everything. His girlfriend dies. I remember
The
everything about
director
Maguire.
of Tobey Maguire का Spider-Man was Sam Raimi, right? Okay, you might not.
Yeah,
know.
yeah,
I have
director
no
was
clue. I
Raimi.
didn't
He's a
follow
great
that.
director. He's a great
He's a
director.
superb director. He
I
directed
think,
the movie
in fact,
perfectly.
he's the one who's directing this movie also, No Way
Yeah,
Home.
No Way Home and
So that's
Multiverse of
what,
Madness
Yeah,
rumored to be
so you
directed by
guys,
Raimi.
that's
I would
what.
say
हाँ,
watch
बोलो.
out for Tom Holland because he will be the central piece of the show.
Yeah, I'm
He's the main guy.
actually a little
So
interested
they will-
because Raimi is doing
How
Holland
they will
now.
do it.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Rishabh, what do
So
you
let's
think?
see, na?
So देखो, तो my favorite Peter Parker is. Andrew
Okay,
Garfield.
thank you. Bye. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on.
That was acting.
Oops, sorry. Accidentally muted you.
My God.
Yeah, sorry. Go on.
That was like the first Spider-Man movie I watched, I think. So, though, basically that was my favorite Peter Parker. But I think the original Tobey Maguire, that's the best Spider-Man series.
Yeah, see,
Nice.
Maguire, I
Fair
think
enough.
they utilize the entire web swinging aspect of Spider-Man superbly in Maguire. If you look at Holland's
What?
series of Spider-Man, he's just pulling
think the
boats
point-
together,
I mean,
and he's
yeah,
like doing a bit of
there's
running.
not a lot. There's not a lot to swing on because he got introduced and then the next movie he's just fighting Thanos.
Bro, let's go.
No, he
That's
got
true.
introduced. Yes, he was pulling boats. He was learning the ropes with the new suit, bro. Like one movie later, like his next
He's
movie,
fighting Thanos.
bro, straight on in Thanos in another planet, bro.
Respectable.
It's like
Tom Holland का is
this
Marvel.
guy's
It's
not allowed to
basically a
swing
movie
on.
behind-
Exactly.
it's
Marvel है तो
Marvel.
अच्छा ही होने वाला है.
It's
Marvel है
basically
तो अच्छा होने
it's
वाला है.
part of Marvel. Yeah, so पता है Marvel अच्छा होगा ये, बुरा हो ही नहीं सकता.
I will say I am excited to see how Raimi takes Tom Holland's Spider-Man because so far the directors have just made fun of him so badly. So I want to see how
They
Raimi
need to
takes.
bring back a classic villain.
Yeah, they need to bring
अरे
back.
भाई, the
Octavius,
Sinister
ना,
Six is
Octavius.
coming. Sinister Six is
Octavius.
going to happen.
Yeah, then
मतलब this
so
movie.
Sinister Six. Yeah, तो but ऐसा लगता है कि इस टॉम हॉलैंड को देखता है Sinister Six हैंडल नहीं कर पाएगा लगता है.
That's why he is going to.
वही ना.
That's why
He
the
did
other
that I
Spider-Man are
agree with.
coming, na. That's why
That
the
I
other
agree
two
with.
Spider-Man concept is there that
Yeah, तो
all
वही तो.
three Spider-Man will reunite and then they will fight against Sinister Six.
एंड्रू
I'm
गारफील्ड
like-
लगता है कि हमारा मजाक उड़ा के हरा देगा इवेंचुअली. टोबी मैगवायर का
मैं
भी.
बोल रहा हूँ,
Yeah,
I would
मजाक
say
में
no one
हाँ,
can
तो-
dispute me at this. No one can dispute me at this. Tom Holland
चलो.
का Spider-Man has the best suit.
Yeah.
If anyone
Of
says
course,
second-
otherwise,
the
bro,
second
I
Part of
one.
will.
Marvel, bro. Part of Marvel.
It's
It has
Marvel.
The
it has-
Iron Spider suit is the best suit. If he is in
Iron
that
Spider
suit,
looks
I can
sick,
can
fam.
tell you he can take down Sinister Six. If
No,
he's
but
wearing the
it's-
suit in
I
Far
don't
From
like
Home,
him
nah,
in
I
that
don't
suit.
think so.
Nishan, if
It's
you
just
rip
not
off the arms,
Spider-Man
it's
then.
useless.
It's just not Spider-Man
nah.
then, Nishan.
Bro, instant
Yeah,
kill on, bro. Sinister Six done, bro. Instant kill. Then done.
I think-
But Spider-Man doesn't
It's
kill
over.
now. That's the
Yeah.
if they show Spider-Man kill,
That's
Yeah,
the
I'll hate
Spider-Man is
for
like
life.
Flash of DC.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
that's
don't
true.
kill.
That's true. Ah, you're perfect. Yeah.
That's
Tobey
the
Maguire
thing
is
about
more of
these
a
two, na.
serious Spider-Man, and Andrew Garfield is like a more
Hmm.
jokish type, more
Isliye I was shocked when this guy also died, Mysterio. Like,
Yeah.
although it wasn't Tom Holland's, I mean, Spider-Man's fault, but he still died, no? So
Yeah.
That's it. But I'm still confused. How do you think that Tobey Maguire was the best Spider-Man and Andrew Garfield was the best Peter Parker? Bhai, okay, simple as that. Tobey Maguire ka Spider-Man showed that he was never cool, he was never a bully. And Andrew Garfield ka Spider-Man, you can see
No,
him playing
but his arcs
basketball.
were much better. The whole Tobey Maguire and his उसके best friend का नाम क्या था?
His arc of Spider-Man,
Harry, aram se,
Harry. That
100%.
arc was so
100%.
good. That movie was
Yeah.
so
100%
good.
agreed.
it
That's
had
what
such
I'm saying
good
na.
character development.
Toby Maguire was the best Peter Parker.
No,
Andrew
fam, the
Garfield ka even if
Spider-Man.
you
He was too old for Peter.
no
He was too
Spider-Man.
old for
The
the role of Peter
Spider-Man movie,
Parker.
na. Though I'm not.
nahi ha.
I think
We are seeing as an
Rishabh, they are
actor,
all
Rishabh,
actors
as a
at the end of the day.
character.
It depends on the director.
No, okay, stop.
so
He
I
thought
think
वो पूछ रहा है what is the best Spider-Man out of all three verses. No, that's not we are asking. Who played the best role as a Spider-Man and who played as the best role as a Peter Parker? That was
oh
the
okay.
question.
वैसे I thought कि Spider-Man movie type, which was the
Yeah,
best
I
अबे
told you
यार,
that Rishabh is
मुझे
Rishabh नहीं
useless.
है.
Rishabh is
okay,
useless.
I think
Yeah,
so.
Rishabh
Okay, let's make
speak
it.
in now.
I think Tobey Maguire का best Spider-Man movies are okay. ठीक है तो
Who do you think was the best Spider-Man?
and then we have to say Andrew Garfield only.
Thank you. Finally, someone who understands. Bhai, if you look at the movie, Andrew Garfield ka jo the Spider-Man, he literally
He was
moves like
awesome.
a
He was the best
Spider-Man.
He was
Spider-Man. He
awesome. They
self-reported
did
I don't
such a good
understand
job
how
with
you guys are
Garfield.
saying कि Tobey Maguire ka
Tobey
Arey, I
Spider-Man
didn't
was
Maguire
the
was
understand the
Remember
best.
question. Na? I thought you
Garfield.
were asking
He's
best
too
Spider-Man
old.
Okay,
movie
now
series.
everyone
He's
is
too old.
confused.
Nah,
Perfect.
it was never
I
about the
think
movies,
like
nah.
Perfect.
10, 15
Yeah,
years
yeah,
ago.
yeah. Jump
क्या
on
याद
me
है?
now. Jump on me. Firstly,
Yeah.
I make all the questions,
Garfield
and then
had
piss off.
Outdated.
Piss off.
Garfield had the
Man.
best
Yeah,
Spider-Man aspect because Spider-Man has always
exactly.
been humorous,
That's
you
what
know.
I was
Yeah,
He
confused
jokes
about.
around with
Pura time
criminals.
I was
That's
confused.
what I like
Pura
about
time I was
yeah.
confused.
Like his controversial line, "You found my weakness. It's small, nice." It's so humorous and it fits the entire
Yeah, he
Spider-Man.
fits the
Trolls his
character. He fits the
enemies.
character
Yep.
Yeah,
perfectly.
Ah.
You see in
Thank you.
Spider-Verse
Finally,
also.
someone who understands.
Spider-Verse also. In the end, the Peter A. Parker, he was also making jokes.
Okay.
yeah.
That was
I
more
mean, he was a bit of a
Andrew
slob,
Garfield.
honestly.
Yeah. Hmm.
So everyone over here basically hates Tom Holland.
No, I
Yeah.
don't.
I don't know.
Someone is
Right now, I
gay.
hate.
Tom
Right
Holland.
now, I don't have a good opinion on Holland being Spider-Man, but that will change. Most likely, will
I
change
mean,
with the Raimi's direction.
I don't think
Yeah.
he's a
My-
really
He's
good
not a
actor,
bad.
but I
Yeah,
think
he's
at
a
the
great
moment,
actor.
My
as
opinion
Ahan
actually
said,
changed a lot
they've
because
not
of
placed
Ahan.
him well.
Yep.
Yeah.
They've not
Opinion
placed
changed a
him
lot.
well.
The directors
Ahan
have
made a
been
lot of
messing with
sense.
the Spider-Man.
Mm.
He has the potential to be the best. They're just using him wrong.
The best part
Yeah,
is he's
yeah,
the
yeah.
youngest out of all of them, so he can stay as
He
Spider-Man
is the
for a long time.
perfect
Yeah.
person for the role because
Yep.
he's youngest.
Yeah.
He
Yeah,
looks
yeah,
like
yeah.
Spider-Man.
And he's athletic also. मतलब
He's
he's
short,
he
हाँ
but
वो
he's
खुद ही
short.
flips
Yeah.
मारता.
so Spider-Man was
Ripped.
never supposed to be tall.
But आदत हो गया tall Spider-Man देख के.
Yeah,
Also, the
sure.
reason I say Maguire was this wasn't the best Peter Parker was because he was too old. When you show that
Yeah, he
he's
was
just
sort of
starting
old.
off as Spider-Man, he's a young child. He's like just started high
Guy
school
का
and he's
abs were
got a new
so
power.
good. The movies
He
were
looked like a
amazing.
30-year-old in Spider-Man 1.
He was a 30.
Yeah, he was.
Oh,
No,
wow,
I
that's
mean-
even worse. That's just even
Yeah,
worse,
the
fam.
whole Octavian
So
part,
the entire
then
age
Peter,
part
You think?
just
Harry.
messed with his arc, or else he would have been a really good Peter Parker in my
I mean,
opinion.
I don't understand how they cast him. They say Spider-Man, okay, a high school student. Oh, let's just pick a 30-year-old man. Just do
That
that.
made no sense.
Do you think they will introduce Harry and Tom Holland?
Let's see, because
maybe, maybe.
in an interview, see, Garfield told that he's not doing this movie. He's not doing No Way Home, regardless
अरे
of
वो
all the rumors.
फेंक रहा था वो. I don't think so. He might be right.
Even
Like
I
that.
think so, but
हाँ,
let's not keep our hopes up because or else we'll be really disappointed with the
yeah,
movie
yeah.
if we see, oh, there's no Garfield, there's no Maguire, it's just good old
Yeah.
Holland.
And I'll be kind of
Anyways,
pissed.
let's
then.
move on.
Yeah, but
because the hype for this movie इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा है ना. Even if it's a good movie and there's no these two Spider-Man, I'll be so pissed.
Disappointed.
I'll be very disappointed.
It's like the movie काला चश्मा था, but एकदम क्रेडिट सीन में आया था काला चश्मा. कौन सा
ये
मूवी
तू
था
क्या
वो?
बोलता
काला
रहता है
चश्मा?
यार?
Come on, what do you say,
भाई,
Rishika?
तू चुप बैठ.
Let me explain.
काला
Kapoor and
चश्मा?
Sons, Kapoor and Sons,
You
Kapoor
said-
and Sons, Kapoor and Sons.
Yeah,
Nah.
You
Kapoor
should
and
stick
Sons.
to
काला
Shaktiman,
चश्मा था ना
man.
गाना.
भाई,
पूरे मूवी को
क्या
हाइप
है
कराया
ये?
था.
ये तू
और
चुप
end
यार
में
ऋषभ, तू चुप बैठ.
Hey,
Bro,
no one watches
at
this.
Credit
least,
से
at
बैठा
least
था.
pick a
Okay,
sensible.
okay.
No one
Very,
watches
very,
Anyways.
very.
It made sense,
Anyways.
यार.
Okay,
You
anyways,
only
let's
watch.
move on.
Forget
बहुत
it.
Spider-Man
Forget it.
talk
Let's
कर
move on.
लिए.
Let's move on.
हाँ
let's
ठीक
move
है तो who has a better cinematic universe?
अरे तो obvious question पूछ रहा तो आप.
Marvel.
Yeah.
Okay, we agree to that. Okay. Another thing. Sorry. This last thing is बाद we'll go to comics wala part and then over. Um. Now that we know that Dwayne Johnson is going to come to DC,
Adam.
Oh, Black Adam.
do you
बहुत पहले
think?
हुआ था ना वो.
I don't
नहीं,
know.
मतलब अभी तक मूवी नहीं आई. Do you think it will revolutionize the
No
DC
chance.
EU?
Yes.
Nah.
Yes.
Bro, I mean, Adam
100%.
does.
Do
I
you
think
realize
Adam
who
does
Dwayne
kill.
Johnson is, Rishabh?
Yeah.
Do you
Dwayne
know who Dwayne
Johnson.
I
Johnson
know,
is?
but
Dwayne
it doesn't.
Johnson.
Bhai,
See, let
it
me
won't.
tell you why I think that this is going to change DC's entire perspective. Because first of all, Dwayne Johnson, for Christ's sake, he's like one man army literally. Black
He can
Adam is
destroy
a really
individual
hype
family.
character. Like if you see the Shazam movie, which is a freaking joke by the way, it was a comedy
Yeah,
movie.
I like
other
Shazam
than-
a lot. I like Shazam a lot.
Yeah, when you see Shazam, you expect the main villain to be Black Adam because
Yeah,
Shazam's
yeah,
arch
yeah,
rival
yeah.
is Black Adam.
I thought
So
it was
when-
Black Adam.
So Black Adam's anyways a hype character because of the Shazam movie. Then when you give that role to somebody like Dwayne Johnson, that hype just increases by 1,000. So I
He will
think a
look
lot
like
of people
Black
are going
Adam.
to watch it, and also Dwayne Johnson, DC themselves have been like hyping up that the VFX is going to be insane, the storyline is going to be insane. Also,
I mean,
freaking Doctor Fate is coming. Like they're bringing the DC's counter to Doctor Strange in the form of Doctor Fate.
The only problem I have is like I don't see I don't know what DC is doing. Matlab, Justice League dekha, oh they beat Steppenwolf. What now?
Yeah, exactly.
They
I mean,
had Shazam movie. They had they had Shazam ka movie, and now the Black Adam आ रहा है. But मेरे को पता नहीं जा रहा कहाँ है. I saw Zack Snyder का Justice League. I'm like, I have some clue where it's going, and I was somewhat interested. But if not
Yeah.
gonna do, I don't see where is this going because
There's no
there-
timeline to this. There's no chronological order to how
they've
they're
not even
making the
introduced
movies.
Darkseid. They've
It's
not
just
even
random.
introduced him.
That's why I
हाँ,
say
अरे
if they
ये idea
introduce
अच्छा है, चल.
Yeah. Think if they introduce Snyderverse, that will change everything for DC. They will have so many people watching
Right.
because
Much
Snyderverse
more.
is building up suspense. It has a chronological order of things. Currently, the DC studios, the movies they're making, they're so randomly based. You release a Batman movie, okay. You release a couple of Superman movies that are chronological in order, fine. You finish Justice League, fine. You release Snyder Cut, okay. Where's Black Adam coming in all of this? Is it
वो कहाँ
after
पे,
Justice
हाँ.
League, before Justice League?
Justice
There's
League.
nothing. There's no
No-
explanation.
Acha.
And like because and the other thing is like what Marvel is doing, they already have the timeline. They already
Yeah.
expect you to have this villain and this thing. They leave it on the director of how they want to show the character. But they want him कि यही villain होना चाहिए, यही होना चाहिए. You can show the character however you want. I mean, Thor 3 में वो director का idea था to show him as a humorous guy, a funny movie, a chilled movie, a
Yeah.
better movie than freaking Thor: The Dark World.
Oh, Dark
But-
World is so disappointing.
Yeah, I don't know, but
Acha, I have one question. Matlab, just to like, it's all pura guess based. I don't expect you to know the statistics and all that. But who do you all think is the most popular hero of all time? Like the most
Superman.
popular
Superman.
Not even
Superman.
close. Not even
He's
close.
such a iconic
Wait, so-
superhero.
of
Superman.
any of even including Marvel. You think
Yes.
that's
Yeah,
Easy,
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 no
easy,
doubt,
easy,
Aram se.
easy,
There's no
bro.
debate. Even if you put Spider-Man in front of
for
Superman,
this
na,
century?
Superman is
Are
more
you sure?
iconic.
Easy,
Are you
easy.
sure?
Yeah,
Yeah.
easily, of
Yeah.
course.
It's not Superman.
Bro,
that's why
bro,
it's
your
not
parents
Superman.
only know Superman. They won't know.
Wait, it's not
who
It's
Superman.
not
Iron Man,
Superman. It's
Spider-Man
Spider-Man.
is.
It is Spider-Man. It is
Spider-Man and
Oh,
Spider-Man.
Superman
what?
are both a little
Spider-Man हो
tough.
सकता है,
No,
Spider-Man
man.
हो सकता
It
है.
is Spider-Man. It's not
Spider-Man हो
Superman.
सकता है.
What 21st century में ना 21st century में
नहीं 25th century में बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
तो 21st में okay it might be proper but overall not even close.
Overall, Superman has
Superman
got
is
All time
far
Superman.
away.
Of all time.
Yeah,
of
overall
all
not
time
even
Superman.
close. Yeah,
Have you read the comics, Arjun?
Yeah,
Bro.
I have. I mean,
I haven't and I still know about Superman. That shows itself.
Superman.
Counter
Superman is
attack.
almost
I mean-
a century old. Just to put things into
Yeah.
perspective.
Yeah.
That's why. So what? Like everyone over here must agree with the fact that DC comics are much better than Marvel comics,
Aram
but
se.
Marvel Cinematic Universe is much better than DC Universe. That's
Yeah,
what
aram
the
se.
conclusion is.
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah. But
I
do
mean-
you
I
see
think
in the
DC has some
future
better
DC?
villains.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree. I can agree
It
with
is
that.
it is
Like
proper evil villains. मतलब
strong
Thanos
होते हैं
का
उनके
goal क्या
villains
था?
इसमें
यार.
इसमें
Thanos is
villains don't change their mind halfway through.
Yeah.
कि I don't want to be
Marvel
evil
just
anymore.
shows really overpowered villains, you know. They show Thanos, they show Galactus. Like, come on, you're showing all universe-ending villains. Eventually, it becomes a little repetitive. Like, but like DC, they just have one universe-ending villain. Everybody else is just, you know, casual villains who sometimes
I think the
struck this.
best
I
hero
think
cast and mouse chase is Batman and Joker.
Yeah,
yeah.
100%.
Oh,
That is the
obviously.
best
I mean
duo.
that's a movie. That is a
Joker
movie you can
carry.
make in any way and it will be successful just
Yeah.
because
Joker
of Joker.
carry.
Okay,
Not
I have a
because of
good question
Batman,
here.
because of
I
Joker.
have a good question here. Who do you think is a better villain, Joker or Loki?
Joker.
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 Not even
Loki
close.
is not
Not
a
even
villain. You
close.
can't call Loki a
Yeah.
villain. He
Loki
was
is an
Loki is not a
anti-hero.
villain
Loki is an
anymore.
anti-hero. He's an
He's
anti-hero.
Loki was a
anti-hero,
guy who was
yeah.
just see. If you look at
Unlucky.
Lucky.
yeah, see,
Yeah.
Actually, you know what?
Who's
He's
the-
lucky. He was a frost giant and he was taken by Odin. Like,
Fam, Loki
Not
was
that
just
way,
a
matlab.
guy who was trying to show the world that he's actually something. You know, he was always overshadowed by Thor. He was never a villain. He was just trying to prove that he is, you know, he is a big guy. He's not some pawn in Thor and Odin's game. He was never a villain who had some sort of evil motivation. He wanted to prove I'm not a loser. I'm not some small timer. I am a big timer. That's why he teamed up with Thanos and failed miserably.
Matlab,
Yes.
I
He
mean,
was the villain in the first movie. Else he became an anti-hero.
Yeah.
I mean it. I think Loki is also not in real mythology is not actually Odin's son or
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, he's just the god of lies.
But he's just an actual frost giant who is a god of lies, and he causes the
Yeah.
what do you
if
what do
you
you
have
say,
watched- Wait, have you watched?
Ragnarok?
Have none of you like seen like God of War, the latest one game?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
what I mean.
One of the
Yeah.
friend guy you
Causes-
seen,
Exactly.
that guy was Loki. So that's
Yeah.
Yeah,
that shows his part in the
the
Norse
boy,
mythology.
the boy, the
Yeah,
boy
yeah.
in
Always Loki.
yeah.
Yeah, that was Loki. Yeah, he's a father of a giant snake for some reason.
That is
Yeah,
so weird.
Jormungandr, Jormungandr.
Yeah, that big snake.
World
Uh,
person, yeah.
he's son of God of War. That's why he's OP.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
That's
Let's
there.
go.
But of course, like introducing this cinematic universe wala concept post 2000 or slash 21st century, it is going to be there for a while. Matlab comics ka era,
Aram se.
it's gone for now, but at least till 22nd century, bhai, the movie scenario is taken over. Matlab,
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
can
of course.
visualize these superhero movies breaking records over and over and perhaps winning
Yeah,
Oscars
because
also
population
all
will
the time.
increase and inflation will happen. That's why
Exactly.
it'll
Yeah.
break
But
record.
Bhai,
imagine there's like a in the future it'll be just be like, oh, you are the character in the movie.
I know, it'll be sick. VR रहेगा, you can control.
VR,
You can
VR
control,
movie,
yeah,
bro.
yeah. That'll be
I'm
kind of sick.
Iron Man.
Yeah, that'll be sick.
That was like, yeah.
Yeah, you can become Iron Man. You can fly around. That'll be
Yes, exactly.
sick.
I can kill Loki if I want, or Thor
Yeah,
if I want.
yeah, it'll be your own story. You can shape it.
Own storyline, own storyline.
उसमें
Yeah.
movie 2 घंटे की चलेगा कुछ लोग का 5 मिनट.
No, it's like
Jump off
it's
and
like
die.
it's like freaking Minecraft. This if you use this seed,
Survival.
if you use
Survival
this
mode.
seed, then you will have a better story.
yep.
If you-
So,
It'll be kind of sick.
Yeah.
Let's see that. Let's see.
well,
That's
so
VR, that's
all the
basically VR.
best. Yeah, all the best to the universes and DC Marvel. I mean, we talked a lot.
And Power
regarding
Ranger
that.
universe.
Yeah, and
Power
Power
Rangers
Rangers.
universe.
Basically,
Yeah,
we
and
concluded
Shaktiman,
that
of
Power
course.
Rangers is the best cinematic.
Yeah,
universe.
no one.
I
Overall-
believe in
overall
Power Rangers
best.
Yeah.
supremacy.
Yeah, easy.
Actually,
You
no,
see
no.
the Power
Shaktiman's
Ranger?
better.
Shaktiman is
Shaktiman.
close second.
Shaktiman is
Close
close.
second.
Oh,
Shaktiman
yeah,
is a
close,
very close
close,
second,
close.
Sam.
Close second. But you don't respect
भाई
Power
the
Rangers like
VFX
that.
देखे क्या तूने VFX देखे क्या शक्तिमान के भाई
That is
Oh,
true. That is
very
true.
God,
good. Pretty cool,
God, क्या
honestly.
बोल रहे
No
हैं? क्या
comparison.
God?
भाई ये मार्वल
जादू
को
जादू
छोड़
दिखा
दे
है, जादू.
ये
वो
Marvel,
जादू is
DC,
God.
Power
भाई
Rangers.
blue alien यार.
Jadoo is stronger than Superman. Period.
Of course. Easily.
Easy.
अरे भाई
आराम से.
Superman
भाई
begged
Thanos
Jadoo.
भाई
Superman
वो
literally begged him to let him go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so in the conclusion, we know that Rishabh is a plastic fan. Marvel is
Let's
better than
go.
DC.
Flash
and-
is the best superhero of all time.
No, that's
Oh,
Nah,
Rishabh,
fam,
Rishabh.
don't
No one,
cap,
no
man.
one.
Yeah.
Oh,
follows you.
not even
No one
cap,
agrees.
yeah, not even
No one
cap.
agrees with
Just-
that.
Actually, I kind
Uh,
of do, but
Oh,
I'm not
I'll
certain.
just-
you
I'll
don't
just take
all
the- I'll
time.
just-
Certain. Of all time, no. Of all time, no.
Of
Not of all
DC,
time.
of DC, of DC.
Of DC, yes.
DC,
Of
yes.
DC, yes.
Yeah,
all
of
time.
DC,
Don't-
yeah.
Not MCU.
Flash
not
is the
MCU.
I mean,
coolest
it-
super
Captain
villain, superpower of all
America is
time.
there. Yeah, coolest, yes.
superpower.
Coolest, yes. Coolest, yes. Okay.
Yes, I mean,
Anyways,
much better than
that's
Wolverine,
pretty
yeah.
much it. भाई हमें editing
You would
करने
much
में
rather be
okay.
Flash than
So
any other.
भाई
Guys,
Rishabh,
pause
let me
right
give
now.
the
Make
yeah
his
let me
life
end
worse.
it now. Stop.
Yeah, let's just
Okay.
Yeah,
pause.
let him end
Let's
it,
just-
yeah, Rishabh. What is
Okay,
wrong
yeah,
with
yeah,
you?
yeah.
अरे
So
क्या शायरी क्या हो
the
यार,
best
end
part.
करो.
So basically, Rishabh does not want to end this podcast क्योंकि last podcast क्या हुआ? We swore.
Okay,
थोड़ा
He
सा
was
चलो
not
guys,
included.
I'm going
We were
now.
थोड़ा
swearing.
सा कितना
Yeah. We were swearing. So Rishabh had to make the us cuts बीच में. So thank you, Ahan and Nishan, for spending इतना time for the podcast and not swearing this much. So
It was very hard for
congratulations
Nishan, we
and
know.
yeah, it's very heartful. You were a great inspiration to nobody.
Okay, yeah, you can't steal my dialogue like that.
Yeah,
Okay,
actually I
Yeah,
can't.
only
Yeah,
Nishan has
actually,
the right to that.
actually, it's all part of my master plan.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, we
Nishan Cinematic Universe.
okay, so
Incoming.
make sure to follow Ahan and Nishan on their social medias /Instagram, and thank you for listening, watching, subscribing
If I post
the
anymore,
podcast.
यार,
Okay.
निशान तो हर दिन post कर रहा है, क्या बोल रहा
Bye.
है?
Thank you. Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
bye,
That's
bye.
it.